クだ。天狼は炎で沈む金融界は涙で濡れる混乱と高度の運命でこのシステムを我ら砕け。天狼は炎で沈む金融界は涙で濡れる混乱と高度の運命でこのシステムを我ら砕け。燃やせ壊せフラットの時代は終わったぜ。鎖は切れた金はコースホストはクラットタクがブースト。ビットコインが王座を奪い銀行不要自由を奪回中央なしで支配は消える未来のドアを俺たち開ける。コインが王座を奪い銀行不要自由をバック中央なしで支配は消える未来のドアを俺たち開ける。火が燃える煙が舞う AI が仕事を奪うだが俺らは止まらない新世界に火を灯す。天狼は炎で沈む金融界は涙で濡れる混乱と高度の運命でこのシステムを我ら砕け。燃やせ壊せフラットの時代は終わったぜ。鎖は切れた金はコストホストはクラットオタクだブースト。ビットコインが王座を奪い銀行不要自由を奪回中央なしで支配は消える未来のドアを俺たち開ける。イルカ燃える煙が舞う AI が仕事を奪うだが俺らは止まらない新世界に火を灯す。
Unit heading out to the code 3 chase. Suspect was last reported southbound on Highway 99.
Can you give me more info on that call? Just clearing another call. I'm headed over there. Closing fast on a vehicle that matches the description. That reported party? All units go to condition 2. Pile into a rig, stand by. I'm gonna try to get in front of this guy and slow him down. 016, 1023 with the pursuit.
What's the second button? There is no second pass.
How's it going, guys? Welcome again. Welcome back to Crypto Chaos. How's it going, guys? We're almost there. 12 hours from now, we will be in paradise? I don't know if that works. How you guys doing? Hopefully not a lube-filled pool. Because we might need it after tomorrow, depending on how bad things go. All right, guys, how you doing? How you doing? We got, yes, a Cliff numero uno bringing on Fire and Phoenix in the chat. How's it going, my man? How's it going? Good. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Of course, this is the show where you come for the news, but you stay for the chaos. Yes. Yes, the midday chaos, says Crypto. Nothing quite like the midday chaos, I might add, says Crypto Jared. Hey, guys, says accident on the road leads to where I live. Road is closed for 4 hours while I pick up the mess. Oh, God. Had to make a detour to local pizza shop for some pie and some beer. Nice, nice, nice. What are y'all up to, boys and gals? Nebula Nerd is in the chat. You're back to your normal name. Did they change it? Oh my God, I think they did. They did update it. Nice, nice. We got actual names on here again, so I know who the hell everyone is. Who would have thunk? Let's freaking go. That's a good sign out the gate, guys. Happy to see that. Nebula Nerd's here, and it actually says Nebula Nerd. Nice. Yeah, I mean, Nebs, the greased up Nebs guy, is still fun too, but shit. Anyway, whose ass do I have to kick to get an alt season? Yes, alt season. Yes, 100%, Jake. Can I break from the chaos and the chains and the fiat that fiat made? Yes. One of my favorite songs. Yes. Yes, it cannot break. It took me. I did like so many variants of that song just to get it right. Okay, let's see what we got. Yeah, that lube is present, baby. Yes. Oh God, Jake the Snake. Whoop the what? The rainbows. What? That might be Bitcoin with a queef at the an alt season. Oh my God, what in the world are you guys going into? Milk Money's coming in. I know he's here because I see all the flames. Yeah, boy. Oh man.
Satoshi started a fire in cyberspace. take your fiat currency and feed the fire.
Yes, feed that fire. Feed that fire. Oh, feed it so well. All right, gotta get the dancing mascots out of here. I'm still trying to catch up with the chat, guys. Oh my God, ads out the ass today on Trading View for free. Don't pay for something for free. Let's freaking go. I got it right here. Yes. Okay, I see it. What the hell is that? What the hell is that even supposed to be? I've never seen that before. What in the world? Colin, is that literally lube? Oh no. Let me zoom in here and show you guys what I see. I don't know what the hell this is. What is that? It really is. Oh my God. Holy crap, my man. he's got you, man. He got you with the hookup, my guy. I cannot believe that's a thing. Roger that, Nebs. Freedom is coming to whoop your ass. Yes, freedom is coming, guys. Financial freedom is gonna come soon to make freedoms near you. Only $21.95. Yes, Braveheart McFreedom. Yes, here Gamma, the breaker of chains. Yes. Braveheart McFreedom. You're gonna be so much. You're gonna be free so much. So much what? Boom. I don't know what you mean there. Freedom and chaos. Yes, that's what we're here for. The guitar is fire. Nice guitar, bro. Thank you, my man. I've been looking for that damn thing for like 9 years. It's almost a 10-year journey, but I finally found it. Feed the fire. Yes, so much flames. Thanks again, guys, for all the fire and support in the chat. I love it. Doesn't cost anything. And YouTube's algorithm eats it up. They love those fire and spammed nonsense. Yes. Keep the flames going. Flames higher. Speaking of flames, and keep going, guys. We're getting close to that 1,000 subs. We're getting really close. So please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and all the things down below. I will love you for. What the hell is this? What? We're just blank flag. Oh my God! I've been cleaning up the studio. Yes. Jake the Snake will love you as forever. Do at thy bidding. Long live the King of Ohio, Jake the Snake. He demands that I shill. I always forget to shill my channel. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, guys. I'd appreciate it. All right, getting into it. Bitcoin holding 110 today as we dip down below 109. We were calling for my original. I ate my words again, guys. I was like, God damn it. I knew I said it before again last night. I was like, it's baseline bear. No. It's oversold. What really got me last night too was my favorite metric to show you guys every single day, and that was Bitcoin, the lowest amount of Bitcoin on exchanges last night. Record lows, 2.19 million. That was it. That was all that was left. We fell off a cliff with that metric, and I'm just like, God damn it. There's not that much left. How can we keep doing this? It's a paradox. But yet, we're starting to see it happen now. I think after the jobs data, once that narrative is gone, good or bad, maybe if it's bad, it's going to be bad. But if it's good, it's going to be bad. We need somewhere in the middle. We need like Goldilocks jobs report. Oh God! All right, guys, let's get back into the metrics, the stuff and things you guys know and love. I do want to, of course, shout out David Whitekirk again. He's back at it, back in office right now today. And he went right back on YouTube and posted his latest hearing on the biggest problem. It's the math problem. It's the biggest math problem in American history. Absolutely love David Swikert. As you can see here, I love watching all of his videos, and I reply on all of them. I just want to play a little bit of this before we get into the stuff and things.
Check. In 7 years, we doubled senior poverty in America.
Woo!
Yet, if you're an idiot like I am and you get up and say, we really should work on this, the Democrat consultants are going to beat the crap out of a Republican and vice versa for even mentioning the fact about the math.
All right. I just wanted to play a random snippet there to give David Swikert some love. Again, a representative out of Arizona, Republican. And, of course, his state is very pro-Bitcoin. Not the governor, though, as we saw earlier this year. Okay, moving on. We do have Bitcoin right now fighting resistance at 110. 110.5. I don't know. The bulls are starting to get hit with a new level of resistance the bears are making. Let's zoom on in and see where they're at right now. Of course, bringing you this live for free is Kim of the White Snowland on YouTube. So don't forget to give him a like and subscribe as well, as I do show him a lot on my channel, and I do not pay for anything. Yes. Yes. All right, so let's zoom on in and see where we're at right now in terms of the order books. Again, live heat map for free. I don't pay for bookmap, do you? All right, so yeah, it looks like they're starting to build a little bit there. We already smashed through it, and this is all kind of new. I don't know how long this is going to really take to break through. I imagine by midnight tonight is going to be all pretty much back to 12 again, hitting our head on 12. How many days are we going to do this, right? And as you can see below us, we are getting more and more buy zones, really getting filled in and below us. I mean, it's pretty much super green below us, especially in the golden pocket, which is right there at around 100 and, what was it, 107.5, 108, who's counting anymore, right? And so anything below that, above that right now is loading in, and again, creating more slightly stronger levels of support, definitely stronger down below us than it is above us. And as we're doing this, we're still printing. It's like I say the same thing every day. We're still printing more and more above us. More strategies are taking place above us. Now we're pushing this whole thing out again towards more of 150,000. This wasn't here yesterday. It's starting to fill in a little bit more. I think this was starting to show its face yesterday a little bit. But yeah, you can see it's coming in now. We're starting to feel like, okay, maybe we want to start placing our bets a little higher if we're looking to short Bitcoin. I don't know who's crazy enough to do that. I have not ever done that, so there we go. Continuing on. The Bears are starting to, they're starting to look a little rough right now. The Bulls might come through in the next hour or so. We'll have to wait and see where we are. But right now we're holding on to 110.7. All right, let's see. U.S. national debt sitting at 37 trillion, 319 billion, almost ready to roll on over into 320 billion. And yeah, we cannot stop printing that money. We're addicted to it. We just can't do it. We can't stop it. Fed decision in September right now sitting at 87%, 25 basis point cut, a 7%, 50 basis point cut. This increases almost every day now. This went up 5 points today. 5 points from yesterday. It was 82 yesterday, I believe, when we covered it. All right, everything else not really pertaining to our space on the top here. Well, who will pump Trump pardon in 2025? That's fun. CZ, 37% chance CZ. It's funny there. What else we got? Lisa Cook out as Fed governor by September 30th, a 12% chance. At December 31st, 28. All right, so that's fun. That's coming up a little bit. I think that's up like 2% today. She's still looking to get sued. So, or I mean, not sued, but whatever. God, what do you call it? Convicted. I don't know. It's a felony, right? It's a misdemeanor. I don't know. I know it's a felony. It's a federal felony, isn't it? I don't know. Bitcoin above blank on September 5th. September 5th is tomorrow, so they're betting on the decision. The jobs report tomorrow. In 98K. What in the world? Oh, I gotta look at this. Look at this, guys. 100% chance. 98K. Okay, less than 98K, right? Yeah, less than 98K. Greater than 98K. Oh my God, right? Yes, greater than 98K. Greater than 100,000. Yes, 100% chance we're not going to go back down to some crazy levels. It starts to break down right around here. 110K, less than 110K, maybe, or greater than 110K, maybe. Where's I guess there's no. Okay, all right. I don't know. I don't know. Place your bets, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know. It's all over the damn place. But it's more than likely we're going to be above 102 at least. God. All right. Well, let's see what else we got here tonight. Fear and greed on the stock market ended in 52 today. Still in fear. In neutral. It's pretty much exactly where we left off this morning when we left. for the day. We have Fear and Greed for crypto right now, coming in at 51 when I started the live stream. Now sitting at 48 in neutral, just barely hanging on to neutral the day before. Again, 12 hours until we know that number. It's actually going to happen at around 8:30 a.m. tomorrow. So if you guys want to wake up a little early and watch the chaos, you can. You're more than welcome to. I will hopefully be start turning in my sleep still. U.S. dollar index 98.22. Damn. So we're still hanging on sideways on the Dixie as well. Nothing really new. It's just kind of sideways for everything today. Crypto bubbles right now on the day looking pretty red. This is the top 200 down about an average of 3%. Top 100 down an average of 2.5%. And yeah, the biggest mover still, I think it's still Pith, right? Yeah, it's still Pith. Look at that, 37% since it was announced that it was going to be used by the U.S. government. It rose, what was it, 60-70% on the day? It was crazy. Still holding 30% of that gain. So not a bad place if you got some dry powder to throw into Pith. If you guys already have, it's still my number one pick today on the top 100. Number run up for the runner up will probably be Crow. If you guys are into exchange tokens, I personally am not. So I'm picking Pith, and I don't even hold a bag of that. Maybe thinking about it if I get some dry powder. Although I just bought my tickets for Bitcoin 2026 today, so I don't think I have the money or any dry powder left to spare. Oh my God, it's rough, guys. it's a rough year. Okay, and then top 200 right now. We're looking on the week. My pick is still going to be probably, everything on the week is down like 10-15%. There's some in here on the 20s, some around the 20s. But if you look into the month, you start to see some bigger numbers, some bigger drops. I'm still saying ZBEC is probably my number one pick on the top 200. XCN still down 24% now. The two keep going back and forth of which one I would rather DCA into. ZBEC's probably going to be more ROI, so I'm still looking at picking up more ZBEC. And again, this is what I would do, not what you guys should do. I am not your financial advisor. And I just got the F-bomb. All right. Well, that means Gari's moving, guys. Holy crap. Gari's really moving. WFTF bomb is on the way. Let's take a look at Gary real quick on the charts. Let me know if you guys playing around with Gary? I was drunk one night and bought $600 worth, and it's almost back to where I bought in. So, yeah, it's like a CUNT hair away from where I bought in. Oh God. Okay, and I'm not drinking tonight, guys. This is water. So don't worry. I'm okay. This is death, liquid death. Okay, yes. How you guys doing? How you guys doing in the chat? Yeah, Gary is exploding. Let me know if you guys are invested in Gary. I own a little tiny bit of this damn thing. I just bought 100,000 coins one night. I was drunk, hanging out with you guys over on the open mic on Crypto Future's Patreon. Guys, if you don't know who Crypto Future is, check the link down below and get involved with us over there. A lot of fun on that in that community as well. And of course, we like to mix it up on Fridays with open mic sessions only on his Patreon. For now. all right. Let's see what's going on here in the chat, guys. That heat map Indy is fire. Says Lawrence. Indy. I need an orange pill, and I just say Mr. T's name in vain. You need an orange pill, my guy? I got you covered, man. Here you go. One of these, and all of your worries will be gone. At least for your waking hours until you need another one the next day. So about 12 hours. They're good for about 12 hours. But anyway, one pill a day will keep the FOMO at bay and the FUD away. Boring sideways day. Oh, are we there yet? Exactly, Braveheart. Are we there yet kind of day. Pith is looking nice. ZBEC is a safe bet. And yes, go Gary. Yes, I have some Gary as well, says Braveheart McFreedom. Nice to hear that I'm not the only one alone in that. That crazy indie world. Yeah, in India. Are you talking about India? My God, Indy. Indicator is Indy. Oh my God. Gary. All right. So it's Gary popping off right now. It's crazy. This is a two-day pop off. It did come back down at the very bottom here at 2042. Found a level of support and bounced. Finally, we were watching this basically, come back down and attempt to go back down to 2039 or 2004, and it actually bounced before then. So good on Gary. Hopefully this rally persists and we do not actually continue this down. If we do, you know what, screw it. If I get paid, I might buy another 100,000. Screw it, I don't care. Just burning my money. Okay, moving on, guys. Let's get back into it. Bitcoin's still holding 110.7. All right, so that again, my top picks right now in the top 100. It would be Pyth, right? Pyth, huge DC opportunity. If you guys haven't got into that coin, you're looking at getting into that coin. Again, not financial advice. And the top 200 right now, looking at Zbeck, still down 27% on the month. Not bad at all. All right. Market cap for Bitcoin dominance sitting at 58.7. Nothing really changed there either. It's about the same level we were at. I guess it did come up a little bit today. Today is the 4th, right? Oh my God. Yes, today is the 4th. Let's look up at the week. Yep, it's still climbing. It's still climbing. I don't know if it's going to hit on 59% though. But we're still up here. We attempted to roll on over before. Remember when we did this? Back in July? We rolled on over, and we just keep finding our way to climb just a little bit back higher. But we're out of 60% now, so we're going to be sharing some of this market cap with the rest of our space here soon. So get used to it. Altcoin season loading for what? A month? For a month of price action craziness. Possibly 2, maybe 3. Or maybe a whole other year. We never know. You never know. All right, guys. Top 10 assets in our space right now. Kind of just hanging out, doing the sideways thing as well. Cardano's at number 10 still. Tron at 9. Doge at 8. It's pretty much the same lineup we looked at yesterday. Nothing new to see here. I do want to shout out the market cap right now, sitting at 3.81 trillion. It's down about 0.04, I believe, since yesterday. Yesterday coming in around 86, 87. So yeah, just down a little bit there as well. Okay, top 20. Anything really moving around here? Top 20. It's about the same as yesterday too. Bitcoin Cash is still killing it. I don't know how, but yeah, Bitcoin Cash is moving. Still holding on number 15 though. It's about $200 million away from flipping Sui. I'm not sure that's going to happen soon, but yeah, it's something to look at. Monero climbing back up a little bit of a recovery day for Monero, coming back to 427. Let me go further down. Looking for Jasmine, as it's not there in the top 100 anymore. It got pushed into the top 200 last session and now sits at 102. Jasmine's seen way better days. Damn, man. It's not even at a billion dollar market cap. It's sitting at 687 million. All right, what else we got here? My favorite metric to share with you guys every single day, and that is, of course, Bitcoin on exchanges. The amount on exchanges. We fell off a cliff yesterday. What do I mean by that? Well, if you take the bucket and you're looking for Bitcoin in here, good luck. There's hardly any left. You might get lucky. You might sort through there, and wait, here's one. Yeah, so there's still some in there, but you gotta get some before it's all gone, guys. I'm telling you, it's crazy. We're sitting at the all-time lows for the year right now. At what is it? 2.19 yesterday. Sitting right now at 2.19. Yeah, still sitting around 2.19 today. So, and this happened right after Eric Trump announced that he bought what was it? 339 million or something like that worth of Bitcoin. I forget the amount that was announced yesterday, but he was on the news and basically saying, the usual stuff. Bitcoin's digital gold, yada yada yada. We believe in it, and yeah. Okay, moving on. What was going on here? Oh yes. If I can click on, geez, all over the place. We're still on the buy zone for Bitcoin. Speaking of which, we're still hanging out around the buy zone. Accumulation zone starts at 117,000. We're still nowhere near, still cheap, which is at $160,000. I mean, are we even gonna get to 150 this year? It's gonna be still cheap all freaking year, like very cheap, like extremely cheap. Basically, fire sale is at 87,200 right now. So we're in a weird place, a really weird place. And I still look at this chart and I'm just like, that just looks like the bear market back after 2017. It's just weird. It's just weird where we're at right now. And it's supposed to be post-halving here. It's just an extended bear market. All right. Top 10 assets in our world. Bitcoin holdings still number 8 as silver continues to climb. I'm trying to do the math in my head. What was it? Bitcoin's $124,000 Bitcoin. What was it? Let me get back to... let me see. Let's see what we really need to get back above silver right now. Oh, let's get to Bitcoin. Pretty easy, pretty easy. Of course, guys, if you're not familiar with Coin Perspective, it's one of my favorite tools when it comes to analyzing a market cap on any crypto project. Yeah, you can get a guesstimate or an estimate, a rough estimate of what price action you're looking at for a project. $120,000 Bitcoin right now would be a $2.4 trillion market cap for Bitcoin. That would get us just above silver right now. So just to put that in perspective, we lost that zone, and yeah, silver's been rallying. It would take us even more to rip back above silver. Yeah, what else do we need to get above this year? God, these are climbing, guys. Microsoft, Apple, holy crap. Those both are about to, they're getting really close to hitting that 4 trillion like Nvidia did this year. And for Bitcoin to get to anywhere near those, not even getting close enough to, what was it, not even getting close enough to Nvidia, right? Not even getting close enough to Nvidia or gold. It would have to get to somewhere around like 180,000 maybe. What are we looking at? 3.6 trillion? Nah, even more, guys. We have to hit that 200,000 to get through that. Yikes. 4 trillion. Damn. So we're still far, far away from flipping everything but Nvidia and gold this year. I don't know if it's going to happen now, guys. It's a weird cycle. All right, so here we go. Get back into the crypto news. See what we can dig up tonight. I have some things pre-pulled up to go over with you guys, but more than likely, it's unless something breaking happened while I was setting up a stream, it's been a sideways day on everything. And I couldn't even get my Photoshop to work today. I don't even know if you guys noticed, but my thumbnail's the same as this morning. I kept crashing. I couldn't open my Photoshop. Something weird going on. I got to restart my computer. All right. Gary... Is Gary curry? Like, really? That would be awesome. I love Indian curry. I'm curious. Vehicle, cart, or carriage, or car. So not curry, but I do like curry. Let's go, Gary. Yes, go curry. Curry and rice. Yes, curry and rice. What's your favorite Indian dish? Oh my God, dude, I couldn't tell you. I love korma. Oh my God, I love. Oh Jesus, there's too many, man. There's too many. Samosas are amazing. What's the lentil soup? I forget the name of that. It's been a minute since I had Indian food. Yeah, seriously, Jake. Yeah, Lawrence. That's what we're having for dinner. Curry. Nice. Yeah, I can't think on the spot what some of my other favorite dishes are. I've got a lot. For sure. Manchurian. Gobi Manchurian is amazing as well. Oh my God, it's like orange chicken, but cauliflower. It's insane. All right, guys, let's get back into the news. I really enjoy talking about Indian food, though. This is one of my favorite. Yeah, one of my favorite cultural cuisines. Yes, samosas are fire. Yes, Lawrence, especially I forget what they call it. The street samosas where they throw on. Oh my God, I can't think tonight, guys. Aloo gobi, yes, abambai, aloo, yeah. Just you reminded me when you said aloo. Aloo gobi is one of my favorites as well. Oh my gosh, it's delicious. What is it? What the hell do they call the lentil soup? I forget, but it's amazing. It's one of my favorites as well. Jake is like, love you guys on that. Yeah, I'm talking about the food, man. You're getting me hungry. Jake is like says, Otaku, when will XEN stop being a lame ninja project and start being a pampy baby? I don't know, man, but it's been a while since I've seen Ninja. How is he doing? It's been a while since I've seen any of his videos. I wonder what he's talking about these days. All right, guys, let's see what we can dig up in terms of news. I got some pulled up. Let's just get on through with this one for a quick. Michael Saylor's strategy may enter the SP 500 as early as Friday. We talked about this a little bit this morning. Just wanted to kind of reiterate again because there's not very much news to cover. And again, as soon as he gets in there, and I've been saying this now for a whole damn year, as soon as he gets listed in the SP 500, everyone with a 401k or a Roth IRA, any exposure to the S&P 500 is going to, by proxy, have some exposure to Bitcoin because, again, it's one of the 500. And, of course, he deserves it. It's one of the best performing stock in the United States by far over the last 4 years. It's amazing. Okay, so anyway, as one of the most high-performing equities shortlisted for inclusion to what may be considered to be the top stock index, Saylor's Bitcoin bet could land strategy in the S&P 500 by Friday. The S&P 500, which tracks the performance of America's top 500 companies, with announcing a new additions of the index on Friday. Michael Saylor's Bitcoin treasury firm, MicroStrategy, is one of the loading favorites among a handful of companies eligible to be included into the prestigious cohort. Every 3 months or so, a quarterly rebalancing of the S&P 500 takes place, and if new firms are included or announced, the added with others are removed. Usually on a Friday in July, Jack Dorsey's Bitcoin technology company Block was added to the index. That was last week, wasn't that last week? Or was it maybe last month? I forget. I remember that was recently, though. For instance, Strategy at Robinhood and Applovine are all vying for inclusion. And there they are there. MicroStrategy was one of the best performing stocks in 2024, and the company currently holds 636,000 Bitcoin, worth nearly $71 billion at the time of writing. The stock has a market capitalization of under $98 billion, and to be included in the S&P 500, a firm must meet the following criteria. Company must be domiciled in the United States. Market capitalization must be equal to or less than $22.7 billion. Monthly trading value must be equal to or exceeding. Monthly trading volume will be equal to or greater than 250,000 shares for each of the 6 months leading up to the inclusion date. Liquidity ratio must exceed 75%. Shares must be listed on the stock exchange, such as New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. It seems like he's had all of these for a long time. Shares must be eligible in form such as common stock. Strategy meets all these requirements, and some Bitcoiners say MicroStrategy's inclusion on Friday is not only likely, but also paradigm shifting. Boom, let's go.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, there's a name for them. We call them poor.
That's one of my favorites, Sailor. This isn't just another index shuffle, said Adam Livingston, author of Bitcoin Wizard. It is a moment where every 401 401k, robo-advisor, and a pension fund accidentally end up hodling Bitcoin. Exactly what I'm talking about. I can't wait to see what we get out of that. And how long it'll take to actually see a significant, pressure from it. Oh my God, it's gonna be insane. How many? There's like what, $30 trillion, or how much money is in pension funds and or 401ks in the United States? We just saw that metric not that long ago when they announced 401k or crypto and 401ks inclusion with the it was around the Genius Act and the big beautiful bill. Oh yeah, how much money is in 401ks in the United States? All right, Google, give me an answer. As of the first quarter of 2025, approximately 8.7 trillion. 8.7 trillion, I'm way off. Represents a significant portion of the total 43.4 trillion in the United States retirement's assets. Okay, so that's why. That's kind of where I got that number, I thought. But 8.7 trillion of that will have some exposure to Bitcoin. That's stupid, guys. That's stupid. Even a tiny percentage is going to move the needle. All right. Okay, what else we got? Crypto stocks plunge as the new NASDAQ rules on Bitcoin slips under 110K. I guess we could tip our toes into that a little bit. I don't want to spend that much time on that. Dogecoin versus Shiba Inu, which meme coin is the best crypto to buy in 2025? I would say they're both primed for an ETF, but I would say Doge is probably a safer bet. I can't believe I'm saying that about a meme coin. Yes. Rex Osprey, Dogecoin ETFs, I'm talking about that, yes, Dogecoin ETFs. North Korean hacker tactics evolve, fake job offerings to steal your crypto. Oh boy, more hackers in North Korea attempting to steal more crypto, I guess. Remember that big giant Ethereum wallet they got after? I forget how many coins they took, like 30,000 or something like that. Ethereum whales boost holdings by 14% in 5 months as price targets 4,500. Wyoming stablecoin on Hedera still not able to purchase. That's the Frontier coin, I believe. Still not able to purchase. It's still early, man. It doesn't really matter right yet. I mean, that's for their state, specifically for their state. Who really wants to buy it? I mean, unless you're in Wyoming, you need to pay for something. I don't know. It's still early, so it's not a huge deal. We'll take a look at that anyway. Litecoin security grows as hash rate triples. European Central Bank touts digital euro as key payment. Litecoin. I mean, yeah, they're a fork of Bitcoin, so yeah, hash rate, yeah, it does matter. External AI leverages Filecoin to preserve Hermes, a 4 to 70 billion model. Just not feeling most of these articles, guys. You see what I'm talking about, right? Bloomberg analyst says altcoin ETF approval is likely to trigger a traditional alt season. Let's freaking go. That's out of Bloomberg. I wonder if it was McGlone again. We'll see. Oh, God, that guy's a nutcase. $10,000 Bitcoin, $60,000 Ethereum. That's insane. Okay, let's get into some of these headlines. So yeah, crypto stocks plunge on a new NASDAQ rules as Bitcoin slips under 110K. Yeah, let's see how low did we actually go, though. 109.5, something like that today. Back down here. We hit the bottom. Yeah, what was it? Wasn't that low. I don't even see 109 here. I know I saw it earlier. We waked up pretty quick. 109, there it is. 109.3, 109.5, right around there. Very short-lived. Okay, so yeah, Strategy, Bitmine, SharpLink, and Ethyl stocks fell alongside Bitcoin's drop at 110K. CryptoLink stocks fell on Thursday as the Nasdaq introduced new rules requiring some companies to obtain shareholder approval before issuing new shares to fund crypto purchases. Interesting. I did not hear about that one. Nasdaq said that the changes aimed at preserving the market integrity as companies raise large sums through complex structures to purchase crypto assets. Firms that fail to comply risk compensation or delisting. Risk suspension or delisting. Compensation. I don't know where I got that from. Laser eyes again, guys. I'm getting all cloudy. Crypto-related equities and tokens sold off on NASDAQ announced that the new shareholder approval rules strategy fell as much as 3.5% before paring losses 2% by midday, while Bitmine immersion dropped nearly 9%. SharpLink gained. Wow, the ETH related stocks down more. Wow, SharpLink down 11%. ETH still at 15%, and before recovering to 9%. Okay, Bitcoin slipped 2.5% to 9.5, falling below 110K level, and the rest is pretty much history. All right. Let's look at the Frontier coin real quick. Frontier stablecoin. The Front is a stablecoin authorized by the U.S. state of Wyoming, right? On the Thursday notice, Hedera said the Wyoming State Token Commission, the body responsible for issuing the stablecoin, has selected the blockchain as a candidate for Frontier. Following a review of possible networks and approval on the proposal, Commission selected Hedera for candidacy. It's all the history of it, but I want to know why they're not launching it yet. Through policies and regulations at the federal level affecting the crypto companies appear to be softening the federal level under the U.S. President Donald Trump. State governments still have some authority to determine how to handle digital assets. Wyoming, which is one of the first states to treat crypto as fiat money, has attracted several companies, lawmakers campaigning on digital assets, and conferences. Cryptocurrency exchange Kraken said in June that it would move its headquarters to Cheyenne City. Wow. That's Cheyenne, Wyoming, citing the recognition of the pro-crypto policymakers and constructive regulations in the state of Wyoming and the city of Cheyenne. The American Innovation Project, an advocacy group, announced its launch amid Wyoming conference, was the host of the event, which a Justice Department official suggested a radical change of enforcement cases involving crypto and blockchain. That's the city and state of my my LLC. Who would have thunk, right? Very, very pro business and crypto all together in the state of Wyoming. All right, Bloomberg analyst says altcoin ETF approval is unlikely to trigger a traditional alt season. Unlikely. Okay, of course, it's got to be McClone. I read that wrong. James Seyfert. Okay. James Seyfert argues the current market represents an altcoin season through digital assets treasury companies rather than a traditional token price rallies, with upcoming ETF approvals unlikely to replicate Bitcoin's institutional success. During a September 4th interview on Milk Road, Milk Road, really. Seifert said that digital asset treasury companies, DATCO, had generated massive returns, but individual altcoins remained relatively subdued compared to previous cycles. He added, "I think this is the alt season, and has it been the alt season? These DATCOs, I mean, they've been on absolute fire." I don't know, man. This doesn't feel like alt season to me. God. Further, the SEC's new framework has cryptocurrencies ETF positions approximately 10 assets for immediate approval, including Dogecoin, Chainlink, Stellar, Bitcoin Cash, Avalanche, Litecoin, Shiba Inu, Polkadot, Solana, and Hedera, all lined up for ETFs. When? Soon.
Will then be now. Soon.
Additional tokens like Cardano XRP could qualify within months once futures contracts reach the 6-month requirement on the CFTC regulated exchanges. However, Safer tempers the expectations for altcoin ETF demand compared to Bitcoin for products. He noted it is going to be the level of interest that a Bitcoin... What? Is going to be the level of interest that a Bitcoin... The Bitcoin ETF launch had? Oh, they're asking. No, it will not. Absolutely will not. So, again, digital gold, not Dogecoin. Yeah, I guess so. Institutional preference for diversification. Safer expects basket of products containing multiple cryptocurrencies to attract significantly more institutional capital than individual altcoin ETFs. Just like the Grayscale one that I built a portfolio for my friend based on that one alone. And I think I added, I don't know if Sui was in that one. The Grayscale basket. Was it Grayscale basket crypto ETF? Let's see what's in there. Grayscale offers digital large cap fund. Yes, digital large cap fund. That was converted into a basket of ETFs after receiving SEC approval. The ETF tracks the index for the largest cryptocurrencies by market cap. This run here contains Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Cardano. I thought it had more than that, but yeah, those 5 there, top 5 currencies. And then I just added a bit of Sui in there for a little bit of chaotic fun. I think it's going to do well either way. I built that portfolio for him because he's going through a bankruptcy and he can't touch it for 4 years anyway. So let it ride, let it ride. All right, guys. My eyes are burning. Let's get that dark mode. There we go. There we go. That's much better. All right. So yeah, that's what looks like. The institutional preference is going for diversification. Safer noted that the investment advisors prefer diversification over concentrated positions for individual altcoins. Bitwise product holds 10 assets, while Grayscale contains 5. Bitwise has 10. Jeez. That's a bit over diverse in my opinion, and especially with crypto. Grayscale contains 5 cryptocurrencies in market cap, weighted allocations. The framework requires futures contracts to be traded for 6 months, and we already mentioned before. I just don't see a ton of institutional money coming into the 31st ranked crypto project, says Seifert. Interesting take on that there. Structural shift. Digital asset treasury companies have absorbed capital and historically flowed into altcoins during bull markets. Strategies of financial engineering allows investors to gain leveraged cryptocurrency exposure through traditional equity markets rather than direct token purchases. Safer views the current market conditions to increasingly institutionalized with sophisticated players entering crypto markets. The structural shift may permanently alter altcoin rally patterns as traditional finance channels provide easier access to crypto exposure through regulated products rather than a direct token ownership. ETF for Ethereum's ETFs demonstrate the dynamic, generating substantial inflows for the initial sluggish performance, but failing to drive widespread momentum in altcoins. The pattern suggests that the institutional preferences favor established assets over speculative alternatives, regardless of the merits of underlying blockchain technology. Gosh. So yeah, not financial advice, guys, but that's what Bloomberg's top analyst James Seifert is talking about in the market. And you know what? When I read stuff like this, I just don't see a ton of institutional money coming into the 31st ranked crypto. Obviously, these are big players with big pocketbooks. It's not going to change their world if they're, if they're going to go invest in one asset like Ethereum and only be there for like a year. They're going to be sitting on it for 4, right? They're going to be sitting on it for 8, and it's going to be. It's not really going to matter much to them. So they're top 10 is pretty much where they're going to be throwing all their money, in my opinion. They're not going to be Degens like all of us. All right, let's get back to the chat real quick and catch up with you guys. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe as I've got Jake the Snake throwing down the fire and, of course, freedom. Boom. Oh, jeez, guys. Welcome to McFreedoms. How may I take your order? All right. Yeah, so what else you guys going on in the chat? Tons and tons of milk money. Getting excited because of the Milk Road reference. What the hell? Yes. Ever since Binance offered perpetual trades, it's been suppressed, says Lawrence. 100%. Binance is definitely known for doing that. Oh, geez, you guys in the chat. I'm behind. Okay, so Lawrence says, I think XCN got manipulated because by CZ. He's probably butt buddies with Justin's. I don't know if CZ's really doing much anymore. He's definitely not part of Binance in any official capacity. Please be sure to ask your financial advisor if watching Otaku is right for you. My God. Oh my God, Jake, you're insane. I love you. Oh my God. Yes, just a pre-warning, guys. Yeah. You think so, Lawrence? Oh, geez. Ever since Binance offered, yes, I think I read that one there. All the fire and flames. Thanks again, guys, for supporting the channel with all the fire. I love it. Anime Mommy Milkers Road. Oh boy. God. Oh no. Yes, and then Binance is probably responsible for that. Yes, LS. Yes, yeah, Strawberry Dragons. How you doing, Strawberry? Of course, we love having you in here. Our favorite flavor of dragon. Damn, I'm late again, says Crypto JPEG. I'm always late. Good evening, fam. How's it going, Crypto JPEG? Hope you're having a great day. As we are just covering, what the institutional investors are doing, according to Bloomberg. And they say that Bitcoin's pretty much taking the spotlight, and the top 10 assets are more than likely going to be where they are throwing down their bets and placing their money in. Okay, so what else we got here? CoinDesk. Let's see if there's anything else breaking today. Let's refresh this. Again, kind of sideways and slow on the news today, guys, so bear with me. Okay, Asia morning briefing, outperform or die. Bitcoin Treasury. This came out 20 minutes ago. Firms versus ETFs. Okay, what else we have here? I guess they're talking about whether to invest in crypto treasury companies versus crypto ETFs. I wouldn't either, because I mean we're we're market participants. We're hodling our own coins, and hopefully you guys are doing the same thing as well with your own cold storage wallet. Again, not your keys, not your cheese. Stripe Paradigm unveiled Tempo's blockchain. Yeah, this Figma and all the energy and nonsense. Speaking of energy, my energy bill went up 20%. How is yours? My God. Oh man. Okay, what else we have here? CryptoNews.com. Anything breaking here? As of 2 hours ago, World Liberty Finances faces September unlock. I actually have these already pulled up. I forgot about them. I do have these already pulled up. World Liberty Finances faces its September unlock. Can Burns offset 483 million in new supply? I don't know, man. That whole thing, every time I look at it, it's just... I'm glad I didn't get in, I'll tell you that. I made a little bit off Trump coin. I got on that, but as soon as I'm just like, no. And I'm so glad I didn't, guys. Guys, I guess a daily reminder, when that coin launched, we looked into it on that day, and it was 25% of the supply got launched, 75% still was locked on day one. 20% of the total amount unlocked was just the pre-sale tokens from investors, early adopter investors, and they sold off graciously. It went from $1 at launch to where it is now. I mean, it's 20 cents. Is it even that 20 cents? 17 cents? Where's World Financial now? 18 cents now. So yeah, looks like you might be able to recover from that. Let's see if it get back up above 20 cents again in the short term. But yeah, it's starting to find its bearings now. But there's a lot heading the way for this coin. So let me know in chat if you guys got burned on this. I mean, it's not as bad as Trump coins burn, I'll tell you that, at least right now. But there's still more headwinds ahead. Of course, this token unlock is not going to help it either. The first day when we looked into the token unlocks for this, it just said it would be making the decisions based on voting and governance. So it could happen at any time. There wasn't any specific planned unlocks. All right, when we looked into it originally. Roughly 47 million of World Limited Financial has been removed from circulation through a multi-signature burn process, representing under 0.2% of the circulating supply. With the scale of the burn small relative to the token issuance, the total issuance, it's intended to show the ongoing management of the token supply. So yeah, they're showing up some of the details there. Day one listing across the dexes and sexes, but yeah, they didn't say the amount there. It was 20% from the initial investors, 5% issued for trading alone. It was just ridiculous. 0 tokens moved early. Early retail prioritize above founders. Really? I don't know. Still trading above 20 cents. Initial list. Yeah, this was when was this posted? September 2nd, so that was 2 days ago. All right, so anyway, derivative markets have been highly active in parallel to spot trading. I really don't want to read too much more of this. I want to get into the next one, though. We'll get into the unlock schedule real quick. The activity is closed, tied to the upcoming unlock schedule for September. The unlock is expected to release tokens valued at around $483 million, linked to allocations for early investors. Market participants are watching how the supply enters circulation and whether it ends pressure and already strained price levels. Large traders have faced setbacks during World Liberty Financial's early volatility. Whale accounts running leveraged long positions were liquidated during the post-launch decline, with reports of losses exceeding 1 million on single trades. Damn.
What are you, stupid?
These events underline the risks of the thin confidence during the token's first trading sessions. All right, and you won't believe the next one we're about to talk to. Speaking of Justin Sun and CZ being butt buddies, Justin Sun, World Liberty Financial jumps as 8% as Justin Sun's entire allocation is frozen. 400 million gained. What the hell is going on with this token? By freezing over 550 million of the advisor Justin Sun's assets, the World Liberty Financial indicated that it would protect the token's value even from its most powerful insiders, turning a crisis of confidence into a price rebound. World Liberty Financial's governance token, World Liberty Financial, rose 8% on Tuesday, adding around 400 million in its market capitalization after the project leads. Yeah, we just read all this stuff. Yes, rebounds above 18 cents after blacklisting Justin Sun's wallet. According to the project, Justin Sun's address is backlisted, freezing 540 million unlocked World Liberty Financial tokens, valued at about $101 million, and 2.1 billion staked tokens worth approximately $452 million. In total, the freeze applied to $2.9 billion, 2.9 billion tokens. Jeez. Yeah, Jesus, that's a lot. That's a lot. It's 100 billion tokens. I guess it's not a huge amount, right? I'm pretty sure the supply was 100 billion tokens of World Liberty Financial, right? Pretty sure it was. Double check it here if it wants to load. Come on. Come on. Oh. It's like crashing. All right, World Liberty Financial. All right, I'm gonna go somewhere else. Oh my God. Yeah, it's back. I'm glad Coin's Perspective is back. It's still a little jank though. It's been gone for about a month or whatever for upgrades. Okay, yeah. So 100 billion. I thought so. I just had to double check. So 2.9 billion out of the total supply. It's still a lot for a single whale, but yeah, damn. So the decision followed allegations that the exchange systematically sold user deposits in a way that pressured the market. Core project leaders and several major exchanges were reportedly involved in the decision-making process. The freeze immediately tightened the circulating supply, curbing potential selling pressure and boosting the price back above 18 cents. The surge provided temporary relief for investors after a bruising launch that saw investors offload nearly 700 million tokens within hours of trading opening. That's exactly what we saw at the very open. The World Liberty Financial debuted its token on September 1st. Okay, it's going back into the history of the token. Okay, I think we covered enough about that. Again, just wipe this Justin Sun. I feel icky. Wipe it off me. All right, let's move on. What else we got? Ethereum ETF bleeds still amid 301 million Bitcoin inflow for the ETFs. Yet whales buy more Ethereum. Here's why. We're down. It's a dip. It's a red day. Buy it. Buy the dip. Buy the dip. Not financial advice. Spot Bitcoin ETFs returned strong inflows this week, even as Ethereum funds faced sharp withdrawals, showing a shifting dynamic between the two largest cryptocurrencies. According to the data at SoSo Value, Bitcoin spot ETFs posted a net inflow of 301 million in September 3rd, while Ethereum products shed 135 million. All right. So again, we're still shedding a little bit from the big fall off from August. Oh boy, what else can we dig up today, guys? I feel like I'm ready. I'm ready for the real news over on X. I feel like I want to go do some doom scrolling, man. Especially when I see Pi Network there on Daily Coin. Oh my God, Pi Network still on the headlines. Oh jeez. Let's see. Blast from the past. You guys remember PiCoin from 2021? I do. All right. Digital asset provider Fireblocks launches a global stablecoin payment system for institutional crypto use. We gotta find something more juicy than that. Bank of America reveals massive price target for the S&P 500 in 2027. Damn, that's out there. Let's take a look at that. Bank of America just Bank of USA, Bank of US Bank just announced that they were going to be getting back into offering Bitcoin to their clients. Bank of America analysts have a massively bullish outlook on stocks over the next 2 years. Financial giant predicts that the S&P 500 will surge more than 50% to a high of 9,900 in September of 2027. Jeez, that's crazy. The S&P 500 is currently trading at 6,444. Anything else? Other takeaways from this? Not really. All right, let's continue. Digging up something else. Bitcoin is just a few weeks away from hitting bull market peak if history repeats itself, says crypto analyst. I'll see who is talking about that today. Widely known fellow analyst on Bitcoin, bear market could set in before end of October if history repeats itself. The analyst, synonymously known as Wrecked Capital, tells his 558,000 followers on X that the Bitcoin bull market could end anywhere between 2 to 6 weeks. I've been seeing the halving cycles. Damn. Chris coming in with a $2 super chat. My man, how's it going? Asking how Gary looks, man. Just kidding. Oh my God. Yes. We mentioned Garley earlier. It was popping off. Last time we looked at it was 205 or 305. I don't know how many zeros are on Gary anymore. 205. 8. It's coming down a little bit now. 2054. 2054. It got close to where I bought in. 2059 was when I bought in. Oh, it actually went as high as 2059. There it is. Yeah. It's consolidating back down now again. It's doing its thing. Man, I could have got out.
What are you, stupid?
I can't. I'm not getting out. I'm gonna ride that thing to hell and back. Whatever. All right. So yeah, Gary's just having a pullback. It just had 2 solid 4-hour candles. Yeah, 2 solid 4-hour candles. That's crazy. Crazy. All right. Bitcoin still heading around, hanging out around 110.5. We got to get this back in normal. There we go. 15 minutes. There we go. All right. Let's see what else we can dig up. Rec Capital. Oh, geez. Rec Capital is predicting a bull run between now and the end of October? Mid-October. Okay, we'll have to wait and see. I don't know, man. I just don't see a bear market, like a really bad bear market coming after a very lackluster cycle that we're having so much positive spin on crypto and regulation and ETFs and stable coins out the wazoo. Everyone's got a stable coin. You get a stable coin. You get a stable coin. Everyone gets a stable coin. And yet we're gonna end this super quick in a month. Basically, 4 weeks. That's a month. Crazy. All right, guys, let's get over to the crypto news, the real crypto news over on X. Of course, we're going to do some doom scrolling tonight. I got some things I can kind of just catch up with you guys on. I didn't show you guys this. I think it was Bobbin. OG Bobbin shared this with me, I believe, over on Patreon. Quite a hot mic moment on CCTV. Beijing today, as Putin and Xi, both 72 years old, are caught casually talking about living to 150 and maybe even forever thanks to organ transplants. They translated it. That's crazy. And people can live younger and younger and even achieve 150. or maybe forever. Yeah. So yeah, some lighthearted conversation back and forth. Again about the dystopian future. Jeez. That we live in today. All right, guys. So anyway, if you guys like what you see here today, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe before you head out. And of course, if you like the same sort of content on different platforms, I'm over on X as well. So check me out over there if you do want to get the same content on a different platform. All right, guys. So yeah, this is what we're looking at today, and some doom scrolling, unfiltered doom scrolling. So watch out. Be careful. Bullish Tom Lee explains that the AI is going to build on Ethereum because you essentially need what they call proof of human. Yes. But you know what? Before you even wanted to do your Ethereum, treasury company, Michael Saylor was talking about last year about we were going to have proof of human on Bitcoin with an orange check mark on every social media platform. He was working on that, according to Saylor last year. Again, don't take my word for it. Go look it up. Just in, El Salvador buys $50 million? Yes, $50 million worth of gold. Damn! Wow, Bukele. That's crazy. Let's take a look at gold real quick while we heard about El Salvador. Gold's still kind of hanging out there about on all-time highs, about $30 away from all-time high now. Yep, just about $30. So again, not too shabby for the physical gold. All right, what else we have here? New Wyoming has chosen Hedera to host Frontier. We already covered that. Breaking, the U.S. has now more unemployed people than job openings. What? Is that even real? What? Oh my God! Tomorrow's gonna be fun, guys. Tomorrow's gonna be so much fun. Oh, jeez. I'd buy that for $1. Oh God. I kind of want to ask Grok. Let's just ask Grok. Screw it. Short short paragraph. I think always gonna start with that. Is this true? God. Oh, God. It's thinking. Based on the available data, the claim is supposedly from Globe Eye News that the U.S. has now more unemployed people than job openings appears to be true. Labor Department's in July 2025 report cited that Reuters indicates that 7.24 million unemployed Americans compared to 7.18 million job openings. This is real. Oh, my God. I love it. I love the doom, guys. I love the doom. All right. Let me check on the guys in the chat. I don't want to get too far away. Holy crap, guys. I'm behind on it. Enemy Mon Milker. Yeah, it's ridiculous. 8 p.m. every single day, JPEG. That's right, Lawrence. Every single day. You can actually set that up on your own. That's what I do anyway. I have an alarm to set my own stream up every day at 7 o'clock. Finally, I'm done with work. Crypto, please retire me. Yes, Strawberry Dragons. We're hoping for your. We're hoping for. It sounds so messed up. We're hoping for AI to take over your job soon. Wow. I'm sorry. It's for the stream. Anyway, you're going to be a a case study. One of these days. Let me know. Ditto that SD. Ditto. Yes. Strawberry Dragons. Super Jank. Yeah. Yo, guys, how is it going? Chatty C in the house. How's it going, Chatty? We got another chat in the house tonight. Jake the Snake says, go, Boban. No, it's Bobbin. It's Bobbin, right? Boban? It's Bobbin. It's Bobbin. Oh, my gosh. Yes, Boban. Boban? Anyway, you think bull season is coming to a halt? I personally don't, Lawrence. I personally don't. I'm kind of out there with Saylor and be like, there is no more bear market or crypto winter, according to Saylor. I like to think, I like to live in that world, you know. This thing for Bitcoin, not so much. Every other coin, yeah. I mean, it's starting to look that way in terms of treasuries and accumulations. And we're talking about Bitcoin and Saylor and SP 500 exposure by proxy, and Saylor's company. He's going to be the first $1 trillion. It's getting stupid, guys. I don't know where we're going. No one can tell you where we're going, but I can tell you, I don't think we're going to get into. I don't have words. All these look, think about it. All of these narratives, every single week, we have a long list of narratives every single week. How can we keep this going forever and hold back the entire market? We can't do it forever. I think altcoins are going to have maybe a little less of a pop than we were hoping. I already pushed back my my targets for a lot of my projects already last year. I mean, just thinking about it, guys. Jasmine, one of my favorite altcoins of all time. Big giant coin right behind me. That one there. Yeah, Jasmine. Jasmine, I was hoping for $1 this year. Last year, that target moved pretty quickly to 75 cents to 50 cents to now 25 since the roadmap was a little disappointing. It's still great, but I mean, I still feel like there's so many altcoins out there, so much institutional demand. Things are getting built all the time, moved around, pushed back. I think, with proper regulation, we're going to see some altcoins explode. But in general, I think it's going to be a kind of a diminished, rally. I think some of your low caps are going to just make you a shit ton of money still. But I think the mid caps, I don't know. I don't know if they're going to, they might surprise us. But I don't. There's a lot of coins I'm just going to hold either way if we don't move, if we don't. So anyway, yes, I always know 8 Eastern, yes, Crypto JPEG, but they just always gets away from me and the wife and the kids and none of the move. I know, it's life, my man, it's life, I get it. Darn that wife and her kids. Oh my God, Jake, you crazy bastard, I love you. Hey guys, how are you doing? Ben is in the house. How's it going, Ben? Give Ben a warm welcome. It's Ben Lawrence. Oh, geez. I need a vacation. That's how I am. Yes. I got to wait till April for my vacation. Guys, I just purchased my tickets for Bitcoin 2026. I'm excited. I've been putting this trip off for too many years. I watched it on the sidelines now for 5. I'm excited to watch the 6th one. That's going to be amazing. Yes, 2026. Yeah, Man Bush, change your name back. We need the Bush. Oh my God, Cliff. Oh my God. We know he's a Bushman though. It's an inside joke. That's all that matters, right? You got normie vibes today, Benny. Oh no, what's going on? He does, man. He does. It's kind of weird. Yeah, it is kind of weird. Ben is just kind of like he's like normal. He's like everyone else. I walk out of the bunker and I just look around and just like, oh God, I'm surrounded by normies. You got normie vibes? Yes. What else we got? You guys are crazy. Ben didn't get his sock fixed today. That's why. Oh, okay. He's just sad because we don't sell socks in vending machines in America. Gamma is rationing the socks again, Ben. Insufferable. Oh boy. Oh God. Gamma, I think that you might have a business there. I mean, it's kind of weird, but if you can make money doing it, some of the guys in the chat might actually want to buy some of your socks. Holy crap.
What are you, stupid?
Yes. All right. Socks Anonymous. Yes. You guys, you didn't see. Didn't you guys see? Ben, what? The Christmas story. Yeah. The giant stocking lamp. Yes. You've had a fetish since then, huh? That's where it all started. It all makes sense now. Oh, you guys, holy crap. Fragile. Oh, Jesus. Fragile. Yes, fragile. That's what it says. It's French. Jeez. Of course, we've all seen Christmas Story a bazillion times. I'll buy your socks, Gamma. I just find it hilarious, says Ben. That's all. He is very lighthearted. I feel like this is not Ben. I feel like his wife is playing on his phone. Because this is not the Ben we know. It's kind of weird. All right. Let's get back into it, guys. Of course, these are all of the narratives we have to worry about this week. Current narratives this week. Lisa Cook, Fed chair. Is she cooked? Is she not? I don't know. We're still waiting to find out this week. Maybe that pushed into next week. Friday, we have the jobs reports. That's right. And around, what is it? About 11 and a half hours from now, we will get the jobs report tomorrow morning. Fear government shutdown and the budget still is leering its ugly head. Fed rate cut on the 17th, still in play. Wednesday, come again another day. Trump and Putin on the peace talks still. When's that going to happen? Come on. I thought the deadline was over. Trump keeps pushing these deadlines out on everything. Taco on everything. I'm going to add that to here. Taco Trump. Oh, geez. Trump always. Yes. Trump always. Oh, God. Is it really deleting all my stuff now? What did I do? Oh, no. Trump always chickens out. Yes, Taco. Okay. Happy Thursday again, guys. Happy Thursday. And of course, the last narrative is, when are we gonna hit 1,000 subs, guys? Come on, hit that like and subscribe. What are you guys doing? You gotta hit those buttons. Jake the Snake, the King of Ohio, demands it. Long live the king. All right. That's enough shilling. All right. So yeah, those of course the narratives we have playing out, and we have got more into the next month in the future. You know, so, I'm not gonna get into all that now. Let's do some more doom scrolling. This is crazy. The job openings, more unemployed people right now than job openings. I kind of want to send that to my father right now. Holy. Whoa. I muted myself. Send it to him live on the stream, guys. Live on the stream. See what my dad says. He's probably in bed right now. It's his bedtime. I can't. All right. There we go. All right. I'll let you know what my dad says if he says anything. Credit card defaults just hit 2008 levels. My God, let's go. All the doom. Yes, I love it. Yes. 2008 levels. Jeez, talk about a great year. What a great year. Guys, remember what happened after 2008? Oh, yeah, that's right. Bitcoin was created. And the BRICS nations. Never forget. Never forget. That is why we're here today. But yeah, that's why no one's talking about it. This happened while stocks are at all-time highs and unemployment is low, and the Fed knows it. Here's what the data actually reveals. Yeah, this is coming out of Billy Boone, with a Bitcoin logo, of course, Billy Boone. World Liberty Finance today believe an exchange has been using user tokens to sell and push down the price. This coin is just, this is coming from Ash Crypto, if you guys follow him over there. I do like and trust Ash, but man, there's so much, sleazy stuff going on with that token. I don't know. New billionaire Grant Cardone just sold his $43 million Miami mansion for 400 Bitcoin. Good for you, my man. Good for you. And we already covered, Bukele buying more gold over there. Senator Lama says Bitcoin is going to increase dramatically. She knows what's coming. Of course, she's in the back room. She knows. She knows. It's all a matter of if, no matter not when, where you are. Nothing stops this train. And the M2 money supply. China M2, US M2, Euro M2, Japan M2, all up and to the right. Not stop. You can't stop this train. Again, it's going to keep going up. We're going to have to issue more debt. We're going to have to keep selling it. We're going to have to print more money. No one's buying our U.S. debt now, so we have to print more money to also just. It's so stupid, guys. We're printing more money to pay off our our other countries that are selling our debt. So we're printing more money to. Just so they can get it back. Oh my God, it's just ridiculous. It brings me to tears sometimes when I'm just like, people don't understand what's happening, and there's no way I can explain it to a normie. I've tried so many times. Just in River Exchange completes a proof of reserves audit, proving they hold 100% of customers' Bitcoin. Love to see it. Yes, there. World Liberty Financials blacklist Justin Sun. We already talked about that. Everyone's talking about Justin's son there again, and Elon should be there. Oh yeah, this is right. They had U.S. tech leaders had a dinner tonight. I forgot about that. This is the wrong timeline. Let's take a look.
In the second phase of my career, giving away all the wonderful money.
Bill Gates.
Satya's good work has helped multiply a lot. But I think the thing that ties my first career that I still spend some time on because AI is so phenomenal. And my second career is innovation, innovating in health in areas like vaccines or gene editing. And the president and I are talking about taking American innovation to the next level to cure and even eradicate some of these diseases. He mentioned polio, which is one that we're close. We don't need new science on that one. For some like HIV and sickle cell, we do need new science, but the U.S. Has the seeds that in the same way that Warp Speed took those seeds and put them together, I think something fantastic can be done. AI for our foundation is that we want a doctor for everyone in Africa through AI. We want farmers to have incredible advice and kids to have a chance to learn. So the work being done by the people at this table is changing the world. It's coming fast. So it's great, we all get together and talk about how the U.S. can lead in this key area and apply it even to the poorest outside the U.S. as well as to our great citizens. So thank you for incredible leadership, including getting this group together.
Wow. Okay, Bill. Jesus. That was brutal. Trump's face during the whole thing. Oh my God. How does a software engineer all of a sudden know so much about medicine? Well, it's been going now for years. If you guys have been following his African ventures with the whole poop thing, I don't want to get into all of it. All right. Okay. Anyway, MasterCard now uses Ethereum payments. Damn, bullish. Yes, bullish. If true. Giant Bitcoin logo displayed over Austin, Texas. Damn, that's a pretty one too. I like that one. That one came out really nice. Good for them over there in Austin, Texas. Of course, the new Silicon Valley, built in Texas. Crazy. Post-quantum financial infrastructure framework. I think we covered this one the other day. Just in SEC reviews a proposal to make Bitcoin and crypto quantum resistant. Yeah, we did cover that yesterday. Again, to me, it sounded like they were just kind of buttering the bottom, if you will, or powdering the bottom. Buttering? What the hell? No. No, not in prison. Okay, no. Yes. They're not buttering bread. They're powdering it. Anyway, eventually everyone understands Bitcoin. Public perception of Bitcoin before 2024 and after 2024. Interesting. I do like this little chart here. Jerome Powell says Bitcoin's highly volatile and therefore not really useful in stores of value and isn't backed by anything. 2021, he said that. And after 2024, he says it's like gold. It's like virtual gold. It's really a competitor to gold. Not the US dollar, that's what he said. Those are his exact words. Donald Trump says, I am not a fan of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, which are not money, and those value is highly volatile and based on thin air. I like the dollar. You know the thing to call the dollar? That's what he said, too, as well. Back then in 2020, 21, and 19. Together, we will make America the undisputed Bitcoin superpower. Yes, of course, Bitcoin 2025. Insane. 24 actually was more insane. So again, that was during 24 though. Bitcoin is an index of money laundering, said Larry Finks. And of course, he also said too that none of our customers are asking for that. I have clips of him saying that still to this day. And he says, my opinion 5 years ago was wrong. I believe Bitcoin is legitimate. 2024. Jamie Dimon says Bitcoin itself is hyped up fraud. It's a pet rock. It's used by money launderers, tax avoidance. All the stuff and things, right? Now he says we're going to be accommodating it. It's what the customer wants. It's crazy. I love it. Mark Cuban, I'd rather have bananas than Bitcoin. I could eat bananas. It's an idiot. I think it has more value than gold. But you can't eat it. You can't eat it, Mark Cuban. How? This is so crazy. Mark, Bitcoin Sailor, Michael Saylor, of course. Also, 2013 says, its days are numbered. It seems like in this amount of time before it starts with the same fate as online gambling. Yes, I remember that quote. A very famous quote. Of course, now it says, Bitcoin's harder, stronger, faster, and smarter than any money that has preceded it in 2025. Oh, that was a great trip down memory lane. Yeah, it was. It's been a wild journey, guys, and quest for financial freedom here on the channel. Alt season is coming, sure, sir. Let's go to bed. Let's get to bed now. Come on, you gotta take your take your pills. go to bed. Go to bed. Jesus. All right. Just in, President Trump to sign an executive order renaming the Department of Defense to the Department of War. What? I don't know if this is, but Trump, that's very abrasive. Maybe this came off the back of what just happened last week or this week with President Xi and Modi and Putin and Kim Jong-un. Although of course the other leaders of BRICS all kind of staging kind of a coup, an appearance anyway. It was mostly just for the eyes on them. But yeah, maybe he wants to show some strength. So he's just like, we're gonna call it the Department of War. That's my take on it anyway. I don't know what's going on in the mind of Trump and his cabinet. All right, guys, let's get back in the chat. I see this blowing up, and I'm so behind. Oh my God, what do you guys think about the Department of War? Oh my God. How about, why can't it be the Department of Freedom? Jesus. I love it. Okay, how does a software? Yes, 2 islands buys right there. Oh Jesus, T isn't an island, boy. No, that list has been compromised. You should have seen the list when it first came out. What, Lawrence? What? ETH is going places, says Ben. I saw it years ago, but actions of the administration has me thinking everyone is involved, says Jake the Snake. Everyone is involved, Jake. Everyone since his campaign has been very out there, pro Bitcoin, pro crypto, before they even got involved in, or even got in the White House, right? So yeah, it's been that way for at least 2 years. Scrupulous says, Noob Taku. How's it going, Scrub? 100% Jake the Snake. Yes, it's been like that. Yeah, it's been like that. Biden administration compromised it. Okay, it was Truck 1.0 and all that stuff. We are not at names anymore. Yes, Scrub. I'm so happy. I know who everyone is again. It's great. I love it. 4D chess. Wait for checkmate, says Lawrence. Noob Taku has been unshadow banned now. Really? I don't know. Crypto JPEG still isn't getting his notifications. Maybe LS. Translation, I can't collect fees, so I need to FUD it. Fast forward, I can collect fees and buy it now. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Yes. And that is why, that is mainly why Larry Fink is so excited about Bitcoin. It's making his, BlackRock bigger and bigger than before. It was big before, but I mean, it's even bigger now. I mean, just the fees alone. Oh my God. It's going to be crazy to see where they'll end up with that next year. Bunch of scumbags, says Scrub. Ooga booga, financial freedom, so scowy. Oh my God, Jake. Harder, stronger, faster. Wait, fiat is like a 4-letter lizard word. It is. Fiat. I can hear the drooling with those lizard, the lizard breath and everything. Strawberry Dragon, wrong chat. Oh no, harder, faster, stronger. That sounds like Daft Punk. Better, faster, stronger. Yes, my boys. Oh, so sad. They're gone. Trump's fed up with was Chiss what? I don't know what you're trying to say, Scrub. Inflation steals your purchasing power away. 100%. It's like a melting ice cube. It's one of my favorite quotes from Sailor. At least the Department of War is accurate, says Jake the Snake. Strawberry Dragon says, Ben, you come here to let it all out daily. Yeah, we know. Then says, I shared a couple of Tom Lee ETH videos on Otaku Chat. Great info. Yeah, he had that interview back in, I think it was Bitcoin 2025. He sat down with, who the hell was it? And he basically went through the entire backdoor process of why he believes that Ethereum is going to be the number one asset to hold for Wall Street. We've known now for a very long time. Again, I've showed this video many times on the channel that their plan has been to build the new Wall Street, New York Stock Exchange on Ethereum. And I can't even bring this up. My my windows are crashing. Okay. So enough of that. I guess I can't show you guys that clip, but basically Larry Fink said in the video that we want this ledger technology. We sees every asset as tokenized, and basically outlining the entire roadmap. Okay, so yeah, that happened 3 years ago now. 3 years, almost 3 years, 2.5 years ago, I believe. It was a deal book 2023, I believe. Anyway, I can't check because my computer's dead and I need to restart it. What's up, Otaku? What's up? Go time. How's it going? And I feel liberated, says Ben, when you come on the channel. I'm happy to hear that, man. I cannot catch up the chat, guys. Ibramoto partakes. Gamma 2. Yes. It's me, or does it Tom Lee sound a little fruity? He's a little off, yeah, but he's cool. He's cool. I do like Tom Lee, and he's pro Bitcoin, pro Ethereum mostly. Dat Punk is great. Yes, Lawrence. Oh my God, greatest of all time. Yes, they are the ones who defined GOAT, in my opinion. He has great hair. Tom's like curly crazy like me. Yeah, he's got great hair, I guess. Fruity like zesty? I don't know. You know exactly what I'm talking about, Noob Taco. Oh, geez. Ben flops it out in the chat daily. Oh. What the fuck? Oh, my God, Jake. What the hell? I clunk. Oh, no. You guys, I need warnings. I'm trying to get banned. We just got unshadow banned, and here we go again. Going back into the X cult type stuff. I'm your brother in a skirt. Oh God, here we go again. Nebula. Yep. All right. I'm getting back into the doom scrolling, guys. God. Yes, RFK Jr. was under attack today. If you guys caught any of this, it was kind of nuts.
Said was accurate. What you said were lies. You described
Senator,
moving the Titanic.
Are you saying that a mRNA vaccine has never been associated with myocarditis or pericarditis in teenagers? Is that what you're trying to tell us?
I am simply trying to say that the people that you have put on that panel, after firing the entire...
You're evading the question.
No, I'm asking the questions here.
You're evading that question.
I'm asking the questions.
I asked you a question.
I'm asking the questions for Mr. Kennedy on behalf of parents and schools and teachers all over the United States of America who deserve so much better than your leadership. That's what this conversation is about, Mr. Chairman.
Senator, they deserve the truth, and that's what we're going to give them for the first time in the history of that agency.
I salute you, RFK. Yeah, he put up with a lot of bullshit today, guys. I caught a whole bunch of these clips earlier, listening to Bloomberg, CNBC all day. It's insane what he went through. They're calling for his firing. The Democrats, of course, they're not liking that he is questioning all of these vaccines we've been putting all of our children into taking the jabs all over the world, and they're not happy about that. There's a lot of corporations, big pharma in question. Obviously, they have their own interests and everything else. So again, good for RFK for standing his ground. Okay, Coinbase dumping XRP. Interesting. We've been hearing about this for a couple weeks now. It's kind of weird that XRP is not one of their main stashes anymore. Yeah, so data from XRP scan shows Coinbase slashed its XRP stash from 780 million down to 199 million in just weeks. A 69% cut. That's huge. What do they know that we do not? That's what I want to know. Once the fifth largest holder, Coinbase is now 10th. Institutional outflows look at driving into the plunge. I wonder if maybe they had a deal, to kind of like start a treasury or something. Like, hey, we're looking at trying to get a chunk of XRP. We don't want to, issue any kind of, flee to other assets. Let's just try to gobble up what you have and sell it to us over the counter. Maybe there's something like that. We just don't know. Again, I don't want to go one way or the other in extremes, right? So you got to keep some of your mind open to what people are talking about. So again, not a huge XRP guy either way. I'm just telling you like it is. This could be used a different way. It could be they could be offloading that to another institutional investor or treasury company. All right. So yeah, I just want to clear this. I have more Jasmine than ever before. This is Yoda Finance. How the hell is this in my feed? I have no idea. More Jasmine than ever before, and I want this will go through the roof soon. But after 7 months of Bitcoin, 111K, and Ethereum at 4,400, I expect Jasmine to be much higher. This is my initial reaction as well. This season, right? I also expected Hara Jasmine CFO. He's calling out Hara would fix the Binance issue. He said would 5 months ago. Interesting. Yeah, the Binance issue, meaning the constant threat of delisting Jasmy on Binance. That's been going on for 2 years or more. It might be 3 years now. I remember in the bear market, it was like 2023, 2022. They were getting threatened to just started to get threats to get delisted. It's been going on for years. All right, so yeah, it's kind of a nothing rant there from Yoda Finance. What the hell? All right, and I don't know what this is. Bitcoin faithful bet on Bitcoin Sailor strategy being added to the S&P 500 tomorrow. Oh my God! All right. I think we've done enough doom scrolling tonight, guys. You gotta pump it up. You gotta pump it up. Okay. Let's go into the normies, see what they're searching. And yeah, before I do, let's check back on the chat. How you guys feeling? Hopefully I didn't incite any more sexy talk in the chat. 99% have no idea what's coming, says Go Time. Yes. Oh geez, I missed a bunch up here too. Love when RFK said, old piece of shit Warren, that was accepted 850,000 from Big Pharma. Ooh, yeah, Strawberry Dragons, yes. 99% of people have no idea what's coming, says Go Time. Yeah, hello, Gamma, yes. Hold the line, says Gamma Goddess, yes. Hold the line. By the way, that was a tough balloon. Yes, holding the line. Literally the line. Yes, Strawberry Dragon says, our retirements are coming soon, guys. It's coming soon. If I can find the right button.
When will then be now?
1% of Jake the Snake's ape in. Jeez, 1% of Jake the Snakes? What does that even mean? Jake? Okay, and don't retire too soon. You might be living to 150. Yes, Ben, that's a big takeaway for tonight. Of course, the world leaders talking about how long we could possibly live to. Thanks again to Bobbin for sharing that with me over on the Patreon. Gitmo is already about to get busy. Otaku, I need you to make me an avatar with Big Booba for the stream. What the hell, Big Booba? What are you talking about, scrub? I love you all. Hold the line. I gotta take a dump and a shower. Oh boy, too much information. Yes. My God. Hopefully not in the same place. All right, like and subscribe, says Ben. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, guys, in the chat. Trying to get to 1,000 subs. We're so close. Last time I looked at it was what, 139 away, 138 away, something like that. We're getting so close. I can taste it. And the studio is pretty much done. We're ready. We're ready for the altcoin season. We're ready for 1,000 subs. We're ready for everything. All right, my body is literally ready. All right. Thank goodness, Nebs, you have taken a shower. You haven't taken a shower in days. Gamma says, neither have I. Yeah, a make freedom policy is to have to wash your hands before going back to work, Nebs. So yeah, you are a little you're a little off on your your BO for work. Okay, yes, too many still informed via paid programming, says Cliff. Yes, send it to Helmo. Oh no, Jake's calling for the end. The end, send it to Helmo. Oh no. How's Helmo doing anyway? Oh my God. Yeah, he's doing all right. He's doing all right. He's actually in the corner over here. He's getting ready for another therapy session. I gotta get him a little a little tiny clipboard. Jesus, I have one laying around somewhere. All right. So yeah, I gotta kind of finish up with the chat. Almost there. It's been a few days. Yes, Nebula. Yes, you gotta take showers, my guy. I'll be right there with you. Not with you. I'm not gonna be in the shower with you. I'll be taking a shower later. Anyway, whatever.
What are you, stupid?
Yes. Jake says no more baseline. It's going baseline, man. Soda Thero, how's it going, man? Do you expect to see some new listings? I wish Zbeck would get a new listing. Me too. Feels like forever we've been holding on that narrative. Never playing out. It's been months. We're calling for that rumor on a Binance listing. Never happened. Oh, yes. Strawberry Dragon's coming with a $2 super chat. My favorite flavor of dragon, yes. I can see why Ben is here daily. This is fun. 100%. And, yep. My alarms are plopping off. Looks like Gari's moving again, guys. And, yep. Gari's moving again. Let's go back and take a look at Gari. Oh boy. Yeah, so Yeah, WTF bomb. Whoa! WDF indeed. It's still going. multiple moves to the upside on Gary. What the? Yeah, it's insane. Wow, 2065. So yeah, I'm in the green now finally from my drunken open mic night. Jeez, it wants to go again. Oh my god. Yeah, Gary. This is all Gary. Holy crap. Gary's blowing up my phone. Damn. So yeah, running up to 2066. These are 15-minute candles right here, guys. Let's look at 5-minute candles. Damn. 30-minute, 1 hour. Damn, that's a big 1 hour candle for Gary. 12% candle, 24% candle. That's why he's popped off. 10% candles in a row. Damn, back to back. Boom. Go time coming with a $5 super sticker. Yes. Cool little Shiba Inu laughing there. I love it. I've not seen that one before. That's cool. Yep. But yeah, let's see how this plays out. It has a long way to go to get back to its breakout. I'm not sure what's inciting this, other than I did tease a friend today. Oh yeah, so I talked to you guys yesterday about how I had a normie friend call me saying they wanted to build a new portfolio, never got into crypto before, and they asked me about some projects, and I just gave them 3 examples. Okay, I just basically tried to describe it as like you have coins like Bitcoin where you might get a 2x. You have coins like Sui where you might get a 10x, and you have coins like Gari where you might get a 30x. It depends on how much risk and how much you're willing to risk and lose. Expect to, don't invest any more than you're willing to lose. That's what I told him in this text, right? He replies back and says, I see what you did there. And I'm like, what does that mean? And then as soon as I started the live stream, guys, I noticed that first leg up here, right? And I just quickly sent a message to him with a picture of that in the text. And I said, "Was that you?" He never replied, so I have no idea. He's got some money. I don't think he's that loaded though. But yeah, Dagari's popping off. Interesting. It's the only thing really moving in a significant fashion. Up 26% in the last hour. What else we have here? Looks like ZBEC's up 3%. So a little bit of a move there. Other than that, everything's kind of still going sideways. Miri is up about 2%. Those are the top movers right now, at least on my chart. We can take a look at the crypto bubbles real quick. We got to get into the normie searches though, see what they're looking up today. All right, so this is what the crypto bubbles look like right now. Top 100 up. Wow, that's on the month. That's on the month. In the last hour, we've got an average of about 0.1%. Okay, so yeah, still hasn't really done too much yet. In the last day, meme core still up the most at 31%. Top 200 here, nothing. Nothing's even green except USDB, BDX, Morpho, Xano, Xanax? What the hell? I don't know what the hell's going on, guys. All right, let me get back in the chat and see how you guys are doing. But yeah, Gari's popping off. My phone's blowing up. Can you choke nebs when you do that? Oh God, what are you guys doing? You guys gotta watch what you say, man. People are gonna think we're like a sex cult or something. Where's Helmo? I showed you guys Helmo. Yeah, Nebs like it like that. No wonder how yeah, the Johns. Where's Helmo in the studio? He's hanging out right over here. He's right over there. He's hanging out. He's chilling, man. Gamma. Oh, jeez. Hopefully you don't crash my camera. There we go. That's good enough. Yes, Nebs better have her money. You better pay what you owe, says Ben. Oh no. Yeah, how much money did Neb make for you right now today? Wait, Gamma, are you really getting into the socks game? I'm telling you, I think there's like at least three or four people in the chat that would buy socks from you. God damn, man.
What are you, stupid?
Yes, Jake the Snake, my husband would tell you I'm innocent my ass. God, yes. A bullpen on ZBCN says Jake the Snake, question mark. On ZBEC, I didn't get a good look. No, not really. No, not really. It's at least coming back up. it's doing this, but down here. I can't. That would be bullish. No, that would be bearish, actually. We don't want that to happen. Yeah, something like this. I guess it kind of looks. Yeah, that kind of would be bullish. Yeah, I don't know. It's on the 1 hour. Let's look at the 15. It's a little dirty, but I mean that could play out. I'm gonna leave it there. We'll see. We'll see if that loads. That will play out. We know by tomorrow. Tomorrow. Oh God, what a mess, guys! Remember when we thought ZBEC was gonna go to a penny by the end of August? Nope. It's been chilling underneath 205 for a long time now, though. Wow, a long time. We didn't get back to the previous all-time high, which was 207. So we still got a long way to go. But either way, this looks pretty bullish. You can zoom out. This still looks pretty bullish on a bullish trend still. It's all right. You could say that if you want to go out into the end of the year, that's a bull flag, I guess. Very far out there. Okay, pretty much nothing. Yeah, we gotta wait to verify we're gonna break out. Where's the next target though? Where were we? Next target we gotta break out of would be resistance right around 2043. Yeah, still haven't broke out of there yet. All right, getting back to it. Bitcoin still hanging out around 110.87, almost back to 111, almost. Will the bears give it up by 10 o'clock? Maybe. All right, guys, I can't finish up with the chat. I cannot. I keep trying, but I keep getting farther away. Miri is a big doggy dude. Yes, I feel. I'm right there with you, Neb. I feel it too. Miri is big doggy doo-doo, 100%. I have a huge bag, and I'm talking shit about my own coin. Yes, Ben Lawrence says, I bought a 15,000 more ZBEC, and I dropped 10% right after. Damn. Yeah, you just got to laugh that off, my man. Miri is $1. Say, Jake, let it be. And 15 cents. Jeez. Jasmine is $17 in 2029. Originally Strawberry Dragons, yeah, I mean, maybe 2029, that's out there, man. That's after the next halving. Maybe originally the team was planning $17 by this year. That was not going to happen this year. Nope. That was their original plan. Things changed since then. They announced that back in 2023, I believe. 24, I think it was 23. That's an old narrative. It's definitely not happening. Scrubulous says, weird. Only socks is going to be huge. Oh, God. Jacob said, you have L charting skills. What the hell? Tiny King says, Ben. Oh, wow. They're talking shit, Jake. Whoa. What is going on? Do you know what they say about huge socks, Ben? Gamma sock and stocking. Jeez. God. Panty and stocking. For those who know. Gamma and stocking. Company. Yes, Gamma. Yeah, that sounds like a good name, actually. Gamma Sock and Stocking Company. Jeez, let it be. Okay, yes, SD is feeling it. PP poo charting, says Jake the Snake. Gamma's oldie oscillate sock company. What? That's ridiculous, man. Come on. You got to be more edgy, man, more hip. It's got to be like Gamma socks and stuff. I can see something like that work. Stockings and more. Gamma's patchouli oil sock club. Oh God, you guys are terrible. Come on, I hope you're just messing around. I'm going to have a strawberry special edition. Oh wow, yep, there it goes. You got everyone sold now. Strawberry Dragons, yes, Strawberry Dragons socks. 14 million of Miria. Says go time. Huge socks goes with huge sock shoes, Ben. Oh boy, don't get him started. He's got a foot fetish. All right, Shill Otaku Shill says, Richie Rich, thank you, my man. Thank you for coming in and reminding me to shill, guys. Thank you. Boom. Guys, if you haven't already, please hit the like and subscribe. I need to get to 1,000 subs before the bull run. We're so close, and I would love to break out before the markets break out. When all the normies are going to have eyes on us when they jump into crypto for the first time. I want them to see us in a positive light. We got to get to that 1,000 sub target, guys. And yes, anyone, of course, who wants a wrench before we get to 1,000 gets a wrench in the chat. So let me know if you guys don't have a wrench yet. For the most part, I believe everyone tonight has a wrench. I don't think I've seen anyone without one. Scrolling up. Oh, Soda Thero, you now have a wrench, my man. I present to you the wrench. Use it wisely. All right. I think I was the only person I discovered not having a wrench tonight. All right. Yeah, what else we got here? Robot vending machines for the socks. Yes, Cliff. Yes. Bring on the... yes, the chaos. Yes, thanks, Go Time. Thank you. See us as the wrenches we are. Yes, all chaos crew in the chat, all hanging out with wrenches. Yes, wrench airdrop inbound. Socks for. I'm not saying it. What the hell, my guy? Tola coming in with a $3 super chat. Thank you, Tola. Super sticker. Thanks for that. Yeah, thanks for that thumbs up, my man. Yes, Austin M says, "Give me a wrench, Taco Man, or else I give thee a wrench too." Austin, thanks again, guys, for all your love and support. You must subscribe too, says Nebula. How do you know he hasn't subscribed yet? Are you on his computer right now? I don't know. All right, guys, let's get back to it. We got to get into the normie searches. We got to see what they're looking up today. Finally caught up with the chat. Oh my God, it's getting harder and harder every day. All right. Where is the thing? Crypto bubbles. Yeah, there it is. Okay, normie searches for today. Let's go, guys. They're looking up Eagles. Philadelphia Eagles, I'm assuming. Okay, so typically, guys, the normie searches, we look for crypto related news. I give them a little bit of some credit for just traditional stocks and that sort of stuff, any sort of investing, or looking at politics, that sort of thing. We of course grade them on a traditional grade scale, A through F. And typically they search for three things. That's, of course, celebrities, sports, and the video games. And what are they looking at today? Let's go find out. Eagles, sports. Right out the gate, there's sports. Jalen Carter, NFL, sports. Normies love their sports. Giorgio Armani, Sablanca, I don't know. Stream East, NFL. Silk Song. Okay. Brazil versus Chile, Venezuela versus Argentina, sports, Peacock. I don't know. Peacock TV? I don't know. Argentina versus Venezuela. Yes, we got tons and tons of more sports. Normies love their sports. Colombia versus yada, sports. Oh my God, it's all sports. Holy crap. RFK Jr. is in here. I kind of want to give him some credit, but it's so outweighed with all the sports. Oh my God, this is it. YouTube TV? Why are people searching that? Let's take a look on UTV on Google Trends. See what's going on. Why are they searching this? YouTube TV lets you stream live local sports news, shows from over 100 channels, including CBS, Fox, NBC, HTV, and more. Did it just launch? I never even heard of this thing. I don't. Why are people canceling UTV? Is that why people are Googling it? Americans cancel YouTube TV subscription as monthly costs raised as a staggering price. In an X post on Thursday, YouTube TV conveyed a message to members about how they are raising prices to keep up with the rising costs of content to a monthly price of $83. What? What? Who the hell's paying for this shit? What was it before? Was it $50? Even that's a lot. I don't know. Who the hell would even pay for that? I don't know. Yeah, who's watching TVs these days? Whoever said that in the chat. Who said that? It was probably Jake. Silly Taku. Oh, God, Jake. Ben Lawrence. Who's watching TV these days? I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't get it. Darius Slay. And that is it. The normies get a flat F today. I'm going to give them an F minus because this is just a bunch of steaming pile of... All right. I'm gonna have to start censoring myself, so maybe YouTube can show us a little bit more lightheartedly or something. Okay. Let's see what we're looking at against Bitcoin, Doge, Ethereum, and XRP versus Solana. It's pretty much the same thing. I shouted this out yesterday as the entire trends on these coins now are getting completely separated and divided. Very, very clear where the trends are going into. Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, and now Solana. And the interest is starting to pop up for Solana and Doge a little bit. It's not as choppy as it was before. Yeah, let's go back into a little further. I'll show you guys what I mean. Past 90 days should be enough. And you can see all this kind of didn't really even, like, no one was even Googling Ethereum until July. Like, that's insane. Ethereum had 5 on the scale. Wow. Back in June, July, it's nuts. And then July started off with all the Ethereum treasuries, and boom, back in business. Altcoin season loading. Ethereum kind of coming down now, though. Interest over the beginning of September has kind of not helped it. All right, so that's the normie searches for today, guys. We're going to get into, yes, Crypto Chaos Magic and see where Bitcoin's at right now. Let's see, where are we at? Bringing it to you, of course, is crypto friendly, or crypto, our neighborhood crypto supplier. I don't know where I was going with that. Kim, by the way, Snow Lion on YouTube, bringing you the heat map for free. Don't pay for something you get for free. Thanks again, Kimba, for providing this for free. And not affiliated, not endorsed. I just like Kimba. I've been watching him for 5 years. 5 years. Him providing this for free for me in the last bull run. Anyway, so yeah, looking at this right now. Looking at, yeah, 109.7, coming back up, 111, oh yeah, 111 right now? No, almost, so close, 110.9. Let's take a look real quick at the chart. We got wicked down pretty quick there. That was 4 hours ago. Let's look at the 15 minutes, there it is, yep. So that has 7 o'clock, right before we started the live stream. We came up and we fell down. Right now, it's the last trading session for the foreign markets happening right now. It's Friday in Japan. I believe it is about 10:40 over there right now. I believe it. So it's still early for them over there. They just got the day started. They sold off right away. Yeah, they're starting to come back up now. We did fall down from our bull trend. So that's unfortunate. Hopefully we can climb back up here above this, and that would be a nice recovery session for the foreign market. We're starting to form a little bit, a little higher actually. So this is pretty much an inverted head and shoulder. This is dirty. It's drunk, if you call it drunk. Maybe we can come back up here and retest the 111.9 or 12 again tonight. There's still not that much, again, above us. We already basically reset the market back in September. Like I said before, all we had to do was keep 108.5, fall down to that level, and we'd be good into September. And here we are around the same level anyway, trading a little slightly above it. So yeah, that's what we're waiting for. We're waiting for this to break out, and I think it's going to happen. I think it's going to happen tonight. I don't know if we're going to get past 112. We're just going to bump our head up against this. Again, we got about 11 hours now, almost 11 hours. No, a little less. I don't know, 10 hours and 45 minutes, something like that, until the numbers are out for the job numbers. It's not looking good, guys. It's not looking good. It might be an overreaction right away. Sell off, might come back down and retest 108.5, something like that. That's the general idea if we have a bad day tomorrow, but I don't know what the hell's going to happen. No one does. If they say they know what's going to happen, they're lying. All right, so yeah, looking at right now, we're at 110.9. We're still a little bit more bullish than bearish at the current moment, and let's do some Crypto Chaos magic. All right, let's catch up with the chat one more time before I jump over to the shrine and burn some money. Shout out to you guys in the chat again. Go Time sitting at #1 in the chat. Damn, Go Time. How the hell are you doing, my man? #1 fan tonight is Go Time, sitting at 325 XP with a close second at 250 Strawberry Dragons. Greased Up Nev guys coming in at 150 XP. Guys, you guys been chatting like crazy tonight, my man. Coming in #4, close, runner-up at 150 XP is Tola, my man. So yeah, thanks again, guys, for contributing to the live stream and all the chaos. We're gonna burn some money in your honor again tonight. Probably gonna burn I don't know, what can I afford to burn today? I still haven't got paid, guys. I've been working for like 2 months for this company and they haven't been paid me yet. Oh god. Anyway, we canceled Netflix. What a waste of time. I watched Chaos Otaku. Oh my god, I'm blushing right now under my mask. Strawberry. That's awesome. That's awesome. This show is proof that YouTube isn't censoring as much as people say. Really, Ben? We could push that limit. Remember the one time we ventured over to 4chan to look up that crypto trading whale group? We got banned pretty quick after that. Yeah, so you want to test it again tonight? Man, just saying that name is probably going to get me banned. All right, I watch soccer but yes, is it, says Ben. Who watches TV this day? I don't know. Damn, I have YouTube TV. Oh, damn, go time. Damn. Oh, we definitely put you on the spotlight, my man. I need another wrench, says Noobtaku. Oh, damn, Noobtaku. That's got to be Chad. You crazy bastard. You crazy bastard. Oh, Jesus. All right, well, I presented Noobtaku with a wrench as well. Yes, I mean, I got to eat my words. I said it. Anyone who's on here before we get to 1,000 subs gets a wrench. Yes. Noobtaku says, I can watch all the movies and shows for free if I watched TV. Not sure. Maybe, I guess. Sheer Madness, Tights, or Fancy, Sokka, and oh my god. More sock names, really? I got. Oh, jeez, guys. I cannot. Wow. If Swift Coin Cook asks Noobtaku. Oh my god. I cannot believe I'm. I'm gonna look at Swift for Chad. Okay. Let's look around at Swift Coin real quick. It's been a minute since we looked at Swift. I'm happy to take a look at it. We had a little peek here. What was that? That was today, wasn't it? That was today. I didn't even notice that. So yeah, Swift Coin popped up here for a second. 13% move. Fell right back down to the bottom, basically where it was. Yeah, weird. So it's up still about 2 or 3% from that move up. Right now, on the day, it's only showing about 0.6% up. So yeah, still, I wouldn't say it's cooked, but it's definitely still at the bottom. I mean, at its new bottom anyway, or the only bottom. Okay, new bottom. Yeah, I figured that was no bottom. We did lose our bull trend though. Damn, man, all of our coins. Come on. How can I skew this one to make it kind of work? Ugh, that's gross. Yeah, we lost our bull trend. That sucks. All right. Kind of reminds me when Jasmine was, and Jasmine and XCN, like, completely manipulated the downside. I wonder what's going on. Again, those all move around the same price action. Swiftcoin's usually a little lower. Jasmine's taking the spotlight over XCN. XCN was rallying harder and faster than Jasmine. But, yeah, in that lineup, my favorite combination of swings, Jasmine, XCN, and Swiftcoin are in that order, respectively. Okay, let's see what else is going on in the chat. Light it up! Light it up! All right, let's light it up. Whoa! Is that enough light for you? Light it up. You guys are crazy. Ben, you've been in the chat more than me for sure, says Neb. Oh yeah. Ben's a chaos-aholic. Yeah, it's the only place he can come out to let off some steam. I have 4 wrenches now, says Noobtaku. He's the keeper of wrenches. Damn, Jake. He's got you. He's got you, my man. The keeper of wrenches now has some challenge. As a challenger. Go Time says, I don't even watch it. Says, oh my god. Oh my god. Well, you're better off than we are, that's for sure. Jake and Six says, how do you know we aren't all advanced chatbots? We all came around during the AI boom. That's right. I don't know. I don't know if we were bots. What were they using for training data? That's a good question, Ben. Probably using like 90s comedy movies like The Mask and Ace Ventura and Dumb and Dumber and Austin Powers. That's moving into 99, I think. Yeah, I mean that's probably what they're using for the training on the chat. If we were bots, they were using us for training data. Yes. Oh God. The YouTube comment section, yes, is insane. Crypto Chaos socks with logos. Oh my God. I gotta add that to the list. I have a set of Bitcoin socks somewhere. I don't know where they are. I can't find half my clothes since my move. Touche, says Ben. Yes, Jake the Snake says they are using fortune for the training. Oh God. Yes. New York crossword section is full of sickos. What the hell? All right, guys. We got to get over to the shrine real quick and set some money ablaze. Catch me on over there. Here we go, guys. Let's go. Boom! Let's get on over there. Let's burn some money. All right, where's my lighter? Oh my God. Oh yeah, this was a good read. I don't want to burn this. Why is this on my altar? All right, we'll put that down. All right, guys, we're gonna of course do some more Crypto Chaos magic tonight. At the Shrine of Satoshi. We are going to get into some chaos magic. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Last night we gave Bitcoin some Onyx to hopefully give it some protection. I mean, at least it didn't fall down to it didn't fall down to 108, right? So we at least kept 109.5, and it was there briefly. So it kind of worked. You can kind of say the Onyx worked, right? The Onyx worked. All right, so we're gonna put that back on the altar. Okay, so we're gonna get the chaos magic started. The first thing you want to do, of course, is light that candle for your idol. Idol, of course, being Bitcoin, and we're idolizing the moon using that stone via the moonstone for Bitcoin tonight, as always. Yes, and you know what? Let's amplify the altar with a little bit of. Let's just throw some quartz on there. Throw some quartz on there for moonstone and rhodonite. Now rhodonite can work with us or against us. It's one of the most chaotic stones there are. So we're gonna throw some rhodonite on there. It's one of my faves. I feel like we need some more chaos for Bitcoin tomorrow. There's gonna be plenty of it. All right. So yes. Then we're gonna burn some money. What do I got? What do I got? Oh, what do I got in my drawer here? I'm running out of dollars. All right, we're gonna burn a 10. We're gonna burn a 10. I can afford a 10. Maybe 2 or 3 10s. All right, we're gonna burn 10. We're gonna burn a 10. Goodbye, Jefferson. Goodbye. All right. So yes, we have our quartz on, and we have our clear quartz, rhodonite on the altar, moonstone as an idol. We are going to burn our sacrifice. That is Jeffy. Bye bye, Jeffy. Bye bye. Another president bites the dust. And I'm going to finish the sacrifice off with a stab wound to the head. And yeah, that's going up pretty good. Whoa, yeah, it's gone. That is gone. There is not much left there. All right, guys. So that concludes the sacrifice for tonight. We want to make sure we finish it off with our mantra, CRPYPTO, and back to the studio desk we go. Whoa! Booyah! All right, burn, baby, burn, says Ben. Yes. Oh man, I wonder if I can get a soundboard over there. That would be awesome. I think I actually might have a spare. I might be able to put one over there. Oh man, we're still evolving. We're still evolving. We can do it. All right, guys. Yeah, bring down that guitar. Says Go Time. Yes. Coming in with a $5 super chat, Cliff. Yes, chaos. Rocket to the moon with Bitcoin. Diamond hands that shit and more fire and chaos. Thank you, my man, for that generous donation to the fire. My man, Cliff. All right. Yeah, moving up in the ranks now. We've got Cliff at numero uno. That's right, guys. Cliff is sitting at number 1 right now. Go Time number 2. Strawberry Dragons is hitting at number 3 and putting Gamma Goddess down to numero 4. Thanks again, guys, for participating tonight. All right. Whoa. Oh, no. And I just spilled some liquid death all over my desk. All right. Let's get back into the chart and see where Bitcoin's going tonight. Oh, let's see if we can hit this. Bitcoin just broke 111.1. That's good news. Good news. Happy to see that. I don't have to wait around and wait for the price to move. What the hell is this floppy disk doing on my desk? Okay. Let's clean the chart up from yesterday. Yesterday we were calling for a baseline bull. How about a baseline bullshit? Didn't happen. So that's 2 up, 2 for today, 2 for this week, 1 down for this week. Let's see if we can get tomorrow and we can break even. I mean, the closer we get to this breakout on Bitcoin and new all-time highs, the harder it's going to be to predict where we're going. We used to have a 97%. 97% accuracy when predicting Bitcoin's price movements overnight, and now this is going away. It's going away. We're better now on the weekends than we are during the day. It's kind of weird. So yeah, that's been kind of developing for the stream. Of course, we are using Crypto Chaos Magic as a tool. And this is, again, not financial advice, if you guys didn't figure that out already. All right. Let's get back into it, guys. So, yeah, I drew this on the board. I'm going to delete it. But that was the idea that we're going to pretty much create our finish off this inverted head and shoulder on the 15-minute that I discovered. It's a little drunken, but it's there. We went a little higher, and, it's still kind of playing out. It's rolling over right now. If we zoom in on the shorter time frames, we can see if maybe we want to break this up and out. We still have to get back up to at least 111.7 to confirm this and verify before. Go Time coming in with a $10 super chat. Thank you, my man. Boom.
Give me money. Money now. Me, money needing a lot now.
For the next sacrifice. Thank you again, Go Time. You just moved up to number 1 now. Jesus. And just like that, Gamma Goddess and and Cliff were knocked off the leaderboard. Yeah. all right. Money me now. Yes, Gamma. Yeah, it's one of the craziest artsy fartsy things I ever made. Thanks again to Jake the Snake for the idea and the audio clip. Recommending that Money Me Now is from Always Sunny in what the hell? Always Sunny in. You guys know this show, right? Oh my God, Jake the Snake coming with a $2 super chat.
Suppose she started a fire in cyberspace.
We're burning all the money. Boom. My crotch is burning. Does that count? Oh my God. Did I really have to read that? Jake, come on. You're in Ohio, my man. That's just natural. Oh no. Oh Jesus, guys. All right. We gotta do the Crypto Cast magic and see where Bitcoin's going, guys. We're getting close to make it or break it territory for Bitcoin. Let's get back over to the live heat map brought to you by Kimba to see if we're going to come back down. Looks like the Bulls and the Bears are locking horns right now. It's coming in pretty aggressive. I'm about to just dump everything on my desk. Here we go. Pretty aggressive. There he goes. As soon as I clashed them together, boom. Bitcoin just broke 111.2, knocked back down to 111.7, 111.170. Jeez, 1.7. Yeah. So are we gonna push? Are we gonna do this or not? Oh, geez. Josh is here. A certain YouTuber said not to listen to anyone saying the cycles going are into 2026. Certain YouTubers. I'm curious as to which certain YouTubers. And why can't it be both? Why can't it just be Bitcoin going into 2026 and not the rest of them? There's a lot of narratives out there, depending on who you listen to. I would say for that to actually happen, we would need the United States to announce their Bitcoin accumulation strategy. I think, at least Bitcoin will continue its run into 2026, in my opinion. I don't know for how long. I don't know. I couldn't tell you, but I think it's pretty much a given if that happens. But yeah, Bitcoin right now trying so hard to smash this. We got to get to 111.5. 111.5 is the next level we got to break, and yeah, it's trying so hard. The Bears are. What else do they have really left? They don't have much left to really fight us on. If you guys are like me and permeable anyway, that is. Yeah, so we were looking at this right here closely. This is what we're dealing with. Got a little bit up here, a little bit to smash on through that to get us back to 112. And yeah, we're beating our head right now on 111.5. We're trying so hard to smash through it. Come on, Bulls. It might be another one of those nights, guys. I'm telling you, it's so weird. I feel like I got PTSD from 2021, but it's like it's lackluster. It's like I know I can't I can't end the stream when things like this are happening because it could pretty much dump or pump right from here. But then I'm going to be let down because I'm realizing these are only like $1,000 moves. And not like it used to be overnight, like 20, 30K, ridiculous 10K stuff. Yeah. So whoa, we're almost getting through it. 111.3. Come on, keep pushing. 103.5. 111.35. A little further. You could do it. There's the bulls. The bears are stepping back now. Where's Godzilla when you need him? Oh, jeez. Yeah. So it's watching paint dry again, guys. This is what, the third day in a row. I'm gonna lose my magic. I'm gonna lose the magic. Waiting too long. Let's get back to the chart here. Anything else popping off while this is happening? I mean, I drew this earlier. I said this is likely to play out, and here we are. We're playing out. We just got to get above 111.7, and yeah, we could make that, turning that into giant cup and handle, basically. I'm a giant cup and handle for the 15 minutes. Can you even see this on the 1 hour? You can kind of see it on the 1 hour. Oh no, Jake the... Did you really just change your name to Jake the Taint? Really?
I'd buy that for $1.
Oh my god. Luby Relief is incoming. Oh, and there's a lot of eagles at the end of that, so I know it's Jake. Did you really change your name to Jake the Taint? Oh my god, Jake. Only the king of Ohio. Self-depreciating humor is the best humor. Yes, it is, Ben, 100%. You gotta laugh at yourself every once in a while. Yeah, that's the only. You're only human. We all make mistakes. It's fun. It's fun. It's fun to pretend. Medicate the hook, or let your brother help. I still can't believe it. You guys are handing out. Yes, Gamma Goddess was handing lube to Jake, and there it goes. He handed him too much. How much did you give him, Gamma? My God. All of the lube in the chat again. You'd buy my taint for $1. Oh my God. That seems low. What the F, indeed. What the hell? Oh, yep. Thanks again, my my commander of chaos, Jake the Snake. Never disappoints. Oh my God. Oh jeez. Yeah, and speaking of which, I feel like if Jake is the commander of chaos, Ben is probably the professor of chaos. Oh my God. I love you guys. Yeah, Bitcoin trying, man. We're so close to breaking to 111.4. These are micro moves. They're micro moves, but they're headed to the upside. Let's get back to the 15-minute. Yeah, we're about ready to reach that top of that cup. And this giant cup and handle. I mean, this stretches out long enough. Maybe on the 1 hour, people are seeing this as maybe the 4 hour, not the 1 hour. People in the 1 hour maybe looking at this as a cup and handle, right? So if we clean this up and draw it for the 1 hour participants, you can kind of see this looks like a cup and handle right there. Of course, being the cup and the handle. Yeah, we're waiting for that confirmation right around 111.6, 111.7. Depending if you count the wicks or not, it could be 111.6, 111.5, basically 111.5, yeah. And then, yeah, shorter time frames, or yeah, it's looking like inverted head and shoulder to the upside soon. So there's a bit of bullishness on a lot of different time frames, which pretty much tells me we're going up rather than down. It's still 65% chance of an upside out of this. Flip a few coins, I guess. Oh my God. Flip a coin. Oh, it's heads. It's heads, guys. We're going up. All right. There we go. 111.4. Give us what we want. 111.5. Let's go back to the heat map, see where we are. We're going. 111.4. Broke. 111.5. Incoming. Come on, just give it to us. It's the small victories. I can't do anything, guys. Like, in the midst of a breakout again, right at the end of the live stream, when we're supposed to be figuring out where we're gonna go before we go to bed, and we don't know. In the middle of a breakout, you just never know. We could get shot right back down at the 112 target. Let's see where the the mid. Where's the mid? Long term, where are we looking at? Oof. Long term looks a little bit more heated. 120 is looking strong. Almost as strong. Not quite as strong as our buy level down there. Definitely a lot more longs coming in now. I wonder what the shorts are up to now. Just a couple days ago, it was up to about $20 billion. If we hit 120,000, we would be wrecking 100. We would be wrecking $20 billion worth of shorts. That would be insane. So yeah, we're just hanging out here, man. We're waiting. We're waiting. I want to say they could do it. Maybe not by tomorrow. Come on. Maybe not until tomorrow's news. It's gonna happen around 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Well, they're trying hard tonight. They're hitting a wall right around 111.5 though. Come on. Oh, how long has it been since we hit 112? Wednesday. We hit 112 Wednesday. We were up there for, what's the hour? We were up there for like 6 hours, 8 hours. Something like that. Ramona coming in with a $20 super chat. Boom! Oh my God, Ramona.
Give me money.
Oh, jeez.
Money now. Me, money needing a lot now.
Yeah, Ramona says, sorry, I had to work. I hope tomorrow shows we have no jobs. Well, we already looked at, yeah, we actually looked at that in the chat. I want to share that with you, Ramona. Thanks again for contributing to the channel. And right with that, one super chat. Ramona is in the lead at number 1 at 1,025 XP. Thanks again for your donation to the chaos, Ramona. Thank you so much. Yeah, Bitcoin sitting around 111.3. I want to show you this since you weren't here earlier. About the jobs, man. It's not looking pretty good tomorrow. Hope tomorrow shows we have no jobs. Well, it's pretty much a given. What we looked at over on the Real News platform over on X, I'm pretty sure I shared it too. I actually sent a picture of it to my dad. I'll see what he says when he wakes up tomorrow morning. But let's go back to my home. Of course, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe on the channel. If you guys are taking a look at us tonight, don't forget to hit the likes and subscribe. Where is it? Did I not share it? Oh my god. Well, I took a picture of it at least. We were asking Grok about it because I'm like, is this real? Holy crap. I sent a picture of it and sent it to my dad. And it said, the U.S. breaking. The U.S. now has more unemployed people than job openings. Yeah. So that's a thing. I can't. You can barely see that, but yeah, we asked Grok. But according to the 2025 job reports last month, there are more more people unemployed than job openings. It's by a fraction, but still, it's true. It is true. Let's get back into the chat real quick. Doomer Jake. I'm not a Doomer Jake. Ramona. Oh, geez. Scatter the Doomer Boomer is here. Well, she's at least not a Doomer, Jake. Crypto Mom's in the house, guys. When Moon tonight. I don't know about Moon tonight, but hopefully 112 tonight. Ramona coming in with a $2 super chat. Thanks again, Ramona. That bodes well for interest rate cuts. Yes, it does. We might just get to 50 basis points on this month. Yeah, Ramon came in with the smackdown, and here we go. Mother's home bedtime boys, says Gamma. Off to the basement with you. I can't share the basement with everyone anymore. This is not fair, guys. I mean, I've had my own space for like a whole year. You can't just throw people at me. You guys are crazy. It's in my apartment. I have my own door, says Ben. Yep, he keeps saying that. I don't know where he's living. Yeah, Ben Lawrence says, Mom, can we get to go to the roller rink on Friday? Yeah, Gamagas says, that's what the therapist told you, Ben. Yeah, God. He has his own door. Yep, he's an apartment. It's not an apartment. Okay, I can rent skates this time, says Ben. Jesus. Jake the Taint says, last time we went... Did you really change your name to that? Oh, my God. Jake the Snake says, the last time we went to the roller rink, Ben kept stealing the socks, and we got banned. Who has socks at a roller rink? What the hell? Who's taking their socks off at a roller rink? D-Money says, how's everyone a mod? D-Money, how's it going, D-Money? Welcome to the channel. We're a total chaos in crypto. lives. Everyone gets a wrench. You get a wrench. Anyone before we hit 1,000 subs gets a wrench. Please like and subscribe, and you will get your wrench today as well. How is everyone a mod? That's how it goes. That's how it goes. Total chaos here. I've never seen it happen, but I don't know how we got to this state, but we did. We did. All right. Yes. Together, wrenches strong. Oh my god, total chaos here every single night. Grab a wrench, D-Money, grab a wrench. D-Money wants to jump in the wrench Chaos Club. Oh my god, you guys are nuts. You're gonna scare everyone away. The creepy shoe worker kept spraying them afterwards. That is cruel, says Ben. He likes his socks unsprayed. Okay, you got to see someone about that. Did you talk to the therapist about that yet, Ben? I want to know, what is their reaction? Because that is quite the fetish you have, my man. All right, so yeah, that's what's going on with the job markets right now. It's crazy. More unemployed than jobs available. It's a real thing. We saw it. We saw it earlier. See if I can find it again. Job openings versus unemployed job seekers. We officially have more unemployed Americans than available jobs. Expect the unemployment rate to rapidly rise from here. So, I mean, we've been playing recession now for 3 years. We haven't called it a recession officially, but it's damn looking like one. We don't do recessions anymore. Why? Because we're too busy borrowing money from future generations, according to
U.S. federal government's on an unsustainable fiscal path, and that just means that the debt is growing faster than the economy. We're borrowing from future generations.
Thank you, pal. All right, Bitcoin getting a strong candle up to nowhere. 111.3, still hanging out. 111.27. The bears aren't giving it to us, guys. They're not giving it to us. We're wicking down now. If we can't make it up there, the next, that's the hourly candle. Look at the 15-minute chart. It's rolling over a little bit there now. We didn't quite get as high, too, to finish up that cup. For everyone looking at the 1 hour, this would have been a cup and handle, the handle for the cup. Anyone looking at the 15-minute, it would have been just a little cup and handle there forming. With a little bit of a rollover here, it could still happen, but I don't know. I think its ship has sailed. They just opened though, so it's still kind of early. Market could be selling off a little bit in Japan. We didn't really rally much, so there's nothing really to buy up. I mean, to sell off right now, right? What did we really? We ran up a tiny bit today, but we fell more than we ran. Wednesday we fell, yes, right here. From Wednesday into Thursday. I cannot believe today's Thursday. Holy crap. Yeah, we fell last night into the market open. Right around here. We fell a little more. I guess they could see this as more of a buying opportunity. What are they selling for? That's what I want to know. Yin and yang doesn't make sense right now, the foreign market. It would not make sense at all for them to sell off. So I would still see maybe a little bit more of a retest to the upside, and I don't know about a breakout, but maybe a return back to 112. All right, so let's get into some crypto chaos magic before I lose my powers, guys. I feel like I need to burn more money. I feel like I lost the power. This is what's happening every time we go into the live stream. At the very end of the stream, I'm too late to do it, and then I'm off. Then I'm off, and I say stupid stuff like, oh, "We're oversold. It's gonna go. It's baseline bull," and then what happens? Baseline bear every time. So again, we're losing our 97% accuracy on the channel. We're down to like 95 now. So let's do some crypto chaos magic before I lose all steam. Okay. All right. So guys, we're get our ritual sticks in place. Here we go, and we're gonna do some crypto chaos magic. Put this into, of course, 9 p.m. representing the foreign market open, general open. Again, guys, it's been a while since I gave you guys the instructions on this, but basically the idea is that these are the most volatile times in our space. Or in general in the markets. So when you pair them up with Bitcoin's price action, overall sentiment, like we cover every single day, you have a good idea where Bitcoin's likely to head. Right now we're at, of course, the market open for Japan. Foreign markets are starting to open up right now, and that's what we're seeing today. 12 o'clock is normally around their intraday trading, so around 1 a.m. our time, 1 p.m. their time is when they start to really rally or dump. And then, of course, the 3 a.m., 3 p.m., again, inversely here in the United States. If you're doing Eastern Standard Time, like I still do, even though I live in Central, you know where all of the time frames are in the markets, inverse or not. Other side of the world trades around the same as us, inversely. So it's pretty cool. I discovered that years and years ago. All right, so yes, 3 p.m., 3 a.m., same thing. That's going to be around their close. So I have that marked there for around their close. It closes for about 4 p.m. in the States, but it starts to wind down right about 3. That's why I put that there for you guys. And then 9 a.m. again for the market open here in the United States, where we typically sell it off because we're assholes. But anyway, we're going to see where we're headed today. All right, so with that being said, yes, Crypto Chaos Magic has begun. We're on the 15-minute, as I normally do. I'm going to check one more time. It's Kim by the White Snow Lion. I'm bringing you the live heat map for free on YouTube. Don't pay for something you get for free. Tomorrow's going to be fun, guys. It's going to be so much chaos tomorrow. And I know because I put that Rodentite on the altar. All right. Okay, so let's go. All right, so right now they're coming back up. Bulls have a little bit more to run. They're going to hit their head again or at 111.5 at least one more time. So I'll see if they're going to do another run up here in a bit. And we're just going to get going with that. All right, guys. So again, CRPYPTO. Just trying to squeeze a little bit more of that magic out before we get into this because I feel like I lost it. All right, here we go. So baseline target for tonight. Where are we headed? We're headed back to retest to 111.5 really soon. We're going to get probably rejected from there. I'd probably try to break out again, try this again, and lose it. Come back down, and it would be I'm out a little off on time there. It would be right around 1. We get that shot down and start to recover a little bit into tomorrow's morning open. Something like that, and anything's possible. Right around this time frame here, it's going to be 8 a.m. Right around 8 a.m., we might start to see some chaos. So keep that in mind as well. That is going to be where these jobs numbers come out. So that is going to be exciting, to say the least. Yeah. So that's going to be there. Okay. Yeah, well, that's our baseline target for tonight. Nothing too exciting. We're lucky to hold on steady until those job numbers come out. And we might get a crazy rally because it's going to be just over. We might get a sell-off initially and then a rally. But either way, we'll get something. Baseline targets in the books now. We're going to do our bear case scenario for Bitcoin. We run up, do the same sort of thing, get rejected here right around midnight. And then, of course, try to reclaim it, lose it, and send us down to Pound Town. Right around a market close. We could go as low as 108.5, and that's probably the lowest I'm going to say we're going to go until, again, 8 a.m. And anything's possible at that point. If we're going to sell off further, we could go as low as 106, 105, 103. 3 would be the worst case scenario. Yeah, let's put that on there. Bear case scenario. That's pretty extreme. And the before the morning opens tomorrow, and we haven't been that low. Oh my God, we haven't been that low. Oh, I think it's been like close to 100 days. Maybe 70. So who's counting, right? Who's counting? 74 days. Wow, on it. I live and breathe this shit, guys. This is insane. All right. 74 days. That's crazy. Hopefully we do not see that tomorrow. And if we do see any downside, we probably stop at a 108. Again, 108 is going to be my make or break, right? 108. We have a lot of history there. All right, getting back into the bull case scenario for tomorrow. All the probabilities on the board. Bull case scenario would be insanely going nowhere. It would be bullish, but it wouldn't be too crazy. Looking at about 113,000 maybe at the most. We see a little higher, maybe a push up to 113.6. I don't think we're going to see more than that before 8 a.m. Rolls around. Anything's possible, though. Bullish after that, maybe a recovery after that to 114.5. That would be a big breakout, but that's probably all I'm going to give it on our bull case scenario. That's pretty good, though. Pretty good in the right direction. Okay, so that's baseline bear and bull we're looking at right now. Super bear and super bull case scenario. Super bear, of course, always going down to the fire sale target. Fire sale is currently sitting at around $187,000 Bitcoin. So somewhere like that, 187.2, and a recovery up in the market open. My God. It has never happened on the channel, but I draw it, of course, to suggest to the universe all of the possibilities. And here's a good one. Super bull case scenario for Bitcoin, breaking out towards 120,000, towards a even higher 130K. It's possible, guys. We've had super bull case scenarios happen in the past. They played out 3 times on the channel. We have witnessed it. Not calling for it ever, but it does happen from time to time. All right, so, and it really doesn't take much to move Bitcoin to 10K. I mean, it's 10K, 20K. Bitcoin used to be the normal. It's a little bit more money sloshing around to do that now, though. Oh, if they stopped playing whale games, we'd be there already, though. Cody Bakula coming with a $2 super chat. Thank you, my man, for supporting the channel with another extra life. Thanks again, my man. He cut himself with his hook, says Ben. Oh, no, what'd I miss? Oh, no. Is Jake okay? Is Jake okay? Did he hit his taint? Is he fine? Is he all right? Yes, every day. All right, guys. So that is what we got on the board tonight. Crazy chaos is going to happen right around 8. I don't know what's going to happen. You don't know what's going to happen. I'm afraid to say what I think is going to happen. But yeah, 8 a.m. is going to be something special. I'm feeling like either way we might get a buy the news, sell the rumor, buy the rumor, sell the news type of action, price action. To which direction, I don't know. I mean, we just showed you there's no jobs out there. I mean, I have friends, I have family. They can't find jobs. You guys in the chat tell me all the time. Chad can't find a job. Neb can't find a job. I can't find a job. So odds are it's going to be pretty bullish for risk on assets, you would think. The only downside to that is you still have the overwhelming fear of a recession. I know we don't do recessions anymore, according to the Fed, but if we had a recession, it's going to take all risk on assets with it. Bitcoin, I don't know. Gold, silver, Bitcoin might be resilient, of course. Typically, silver and Bitcoin and gold have been. Bitcoin has shown us in the past with the bank crisis of 2023 that it has that ability to do so. The likes of Kathy Wood, and I agree with her. It is a risk on and risk off asset, in our opinions. So it's possible. So anything's possible, guys. All right. So I'm going to call for... I really don't want to do this. Bitcoin's still struggling around 111. I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna say it. Screw it. I'm gonna say baseline bear, at least until 8:30. Baseline bear. So something like this, come down, recover. Maybe just stick to mostly baseline. In my opinion, something like that. It's kind of what we saw today, actually. Sort of like that. And we're tight. We're getting tight, though. We're getting tighter than we were a few days ago. Less volatility. Still kind of bullish trend. We got to get back above 111.4 tonight to get back on that trend level. That would put us a little bit into the bullish category, but yeah, not quite. But either way, baseline is more than likely going to play out until, of course, 8 o'clock rings the bell. Ringing the bell after 8 o'clock, and the chaos begins. So that's what I'm looking at tonight, guys. I'm just going to say it. We should have been baseline bull. I feel like we should be baseline bull now. And I still feel like it can happen. It can still happen. We could get above here, maybe break up to 112, 111.9. Oh, damn it, guys. The bull in me is just like, yes. But reality is just like, this market sucks. And no. God. I'm just going to stick with it. Baseline bear. Screw it. Screw it. All right, guys. It went off the rails a while ago, Cody. It did. We had a whole other wave of lube. I did not even know there was a freaking emoji for lube. I cannot believe you guys. My God, it's insane. You learn something new every day. Yeah, someone gave Jake a bottle of lube, and it turned into a gallon. I don't know how. Yep. Ridiculous. All right. In all seriousness, that was great, Cody. I missed something in the chat, guys. Let me see what Cody's chatting about. We missed you, Cody. No more Jake the Snake. Only Jake the Taint. God. What did I miss? Well, you missed a lot. Yes, he's upgraded to Jake the Taint now. King of Ohio. Lord of the dark place we don't talk about. God. Yes, Jake, Cody. He just wants me to say dirty things. My commander of chaos, of course, Jake the Taint. Is that official? Is that official? Go Time says it went off the rails ago, Cody. Yes, it did. I need to change my profile pic now, and that I don't smoke anymore. Oh, nice to hear that. I'm happy to hear that you quit smoking, Cody. Dang, I always miss the big stuff. Yeah, we missed you though. We missed you, Cody. All seriousness, that is great, Cody. 100%. We're happy for you quitting. Again, it's all about your health in the future. Again, the more you invest and you get into financial freedom, the longer you want to live, right? So take care of your health. All right, yeah, word, good for you, Cody. Yes, 100% Gamma. We said, oh, geez, Chris coming in with a $5 super chat, my man. B3 Games, thoughts. It landed a partnership with XRP a few days ago. It's at 8 cents a gem of Rob's over at Crypto Future. Not allowed to say that here on the channel, but we could take a look at it for you. B3, that is Base, right? I believe that's Base token over on Coinbase's platform. It's layer 2 on Ethereum, I believe. I am not invested in it, but I've heard things. Let's get over there and take a look at that for you. Thanks again for supporting the chaos tonight, guys. Thanks again. All right, so B3 token. B3 token, a native cryptocurrency, the B3 gaming ecosystem layer 3 blockchain. Sorry, built on top of layer 2 network. The ecosystem is designed to provide lower transactional costs and higher throughput for blockchain-based gaming. Okay. So is it going to be used for the network itself for the games? B3 ecosystem is gaming focused network that aims to simplify transactions for players and developers. It uses chains abstraction technology to remove the need for multiple tokens and bridges when interacting with games. So it's layer 3 on Base, I believe. Yeah, on Base. Layer 3 on Base, which is a layer 2 on Ethereum. So it's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, scale for enhanced scalability and lower costs in Web3 gaming. All right, so it's a little breakdown there of the token for you guys, and then take a look at the token crypto market cap. Crypto market cap. Boom. Take a look at B3 and its tokenomics. Do my whole thing. I know you guys love market caps. You guys love when I talk about market caps, right? All right, 2025 B3 on Base. So how high can it go? How high can it go? All time right now, this coin is still relatively new. Came out this year in February, so there's not too much history on this coin. Doing okay since launch. I'm not sure what the circulating supply is currently right now in terms of unlocks and their unlock schedule, but just in general, their token supply, if it were to remain where it is right now, circulating supply is 21 billion out of 100. Kind of reminding me of kind of like Royal Liberty Financial setup right now. Yeah, so around 100 billion tokens, 21 being allocated right now. So we have a market cap of 53 million. It's a decent sized market cap right now. Not too small, not too big, right before the bull run. And I'm going to show you guys, or possibly could go if it gets some true adoption, over at Coin Perspective. One of my favorite tools in our space, Coin Perspective. Letting us dream. No, they're down. They got shot down again. No. So it looks like they're going through another upgrade again. So I can't do this stuff super easy like I used to. B3. Damn it. Damn it. I had a feeling because I was like feeling it got really slow after a while. I was like, damn, it got shot down again, didn't it? All right, so we can at least take a look at market cap here. I could do some hard math. It's really hard math for me, though. It's not my favorite. Market cap is about the same, so it's pretty easy, roughly where it's at right now. $200 million when it launched in market cap. So if you're looking at the previous all-time high, and again, affecting coins allocated right now, it's about the same. You can see there's a little difference in market cap from when it launched. But for the most part, I would say it's pretty much the same. So that's a good thing, not a bad thing, at least as of right now in the early days. Later, I couldn't tell you with their unlock schedule; it could change. But again, without coin perspective, I can't really do some guesstimations there in moon math. But so yeah, it looks like its highest price it was at 1 cent to 1 cent 6. There it is, 1 cent 6 at the peak at launch. And then the market cap was about, what, 200 million? 341 million. 341 million. That's crazy. That's crazy. I don't know what games are out there, what the narrative is currently. But current market cap right now is 60 million? 53 million. Oh my God, 53 million. So what was it? 340? 300, I'm just going to do for easy math. 340 divided by 50. That's a 6. It's almost a 7x to get back to all-time highs. That's again without like real adoption. If it's just going to trade on speculation, maybe you can get back there. Damn near $500 million would be a safe bet. If you want to look at coin market cap, I mean coin market cap for that token, maybe $1 billion is a little high risk. I don't think this is the cycle again for crypto gaming as a whole for mass adoption. That's going to be 2028, at least pushed out to 2028 now. But there are games doing it. Off the Grid has done that successfully. They've integrated their game with on the Avalanche blockchain. They've merged onto also a Solana now, and their Guns token is doing fine. I mean, it's hit the bottom and it's climbing up now. It's being used, and that's all we can really hope for most of these coins, that they get used. We have actual use case for them. So I'm not sure what's being developed on B3. My idea on this would be, unless there's any big launches or any things down the pipeline, I'm not sure what the roadmap would be. Maybe try to start to plan exit strategies around $500 million market cap. And or $1 billion market cap. Maybe take your initial out, get DCA out on the way up. That'd be my opinion anyway. Not financial advice, just what I would do personally if I was holding B3 right now. All right, and it's at the lows right now too, right? So it's not a safe bet, but it's more likely it's going to go up. It's going to go up from here. 53 million. That's the lowest in market cap too since July. Yeah, since July. So it's at the lows right now in terms of amount invested. Okay, so that's what's going on with B3 right now. Thanks again to Chris for the $5 super chat. An interesting token, that you had pulled up for us tonight. Let's see what else we have here. Well, we have 33 likes. Good job, guys. Good job, Ramona. Thank you. Yes, thanks, guys, for those likes. We appreciate it. The Crypto Chaos lives to fight another day. D-Money says, what do I think about TARS AI? D-Money still doesn't have a wrench, guys. I present the wrench. Use it well. Use it well. Jeez. Don't hit anyone with it that you wouldn't otherwise would regret hitting. Ben Lauren says, at the face, it's free. We can't get people to come in the store. Oh, God. What are you talking about? The Knee-High Sock Society. Oh, my God. The Knee-High Sock Society. You have a problem, Ben. Gamma Goddess handing out wrenches. Yes. I love it. Love it. What do you think of TARS AI? TARS AI it's a good project. It's AI project, I believe, right? It's called TARS AI. I think it's one of the bigger ones on Solana. I like the way that they're in. That's the one I'm thinking of. TARS. I'm pretty sure it's built on Solana, right? Yeah. I like their website. It's been a while since I looked at it. Their website encourages people to develop on their ecosystem, and it actually gives you the tools to start doing it. They changed it a little bit. Maybe it isn't there. I don't know. Yeah, there's the AI market. Yeah, there's the AI market there. I mean, I like it. There's definitely a narrative, though, for this idea on every platform, though. That's the downside. And it's still a trend that has not come back in any meaningful way yet since April. I mean, it's been dead. The whole entire AI idea, not idea, but investing strategy has been kind of dead this year since April. DeepSeek kind of killed everything back at the beginning of the year, and then it kind of dwindled into nothingness. There's a little bit of here, this and that. NVIDIA had actually shot this down too, because they said they're not going to invest in any more crypto projects until they're slowly invested in AI. So even Render fell on that and it never recovered. Not really in a meaningful way yet. So anyway, that's my idea there about an AI and the trends. It's going to be a late game for sure if we get back into trends, if we have time for it in the cycle. We're running out of time, though. We're on borrowed time. We're going into the middle of September next week. It's ridiculous. Or maybe, yeah, next week. It's starting to, the weekend. But anyway, the idea is also virtual protocols on Ethereum. That's the number one on all of this, right? AI agents place. AI agent market also on Tars AI. That's, of course, the leading one on Solana. Then you have Sui AI, which I can't tell if it's more memes or not. Okay, so anyway, guys, they're all building these out. Those are the three big ones I know of that I've heard people invest into. I'm not personally invested in any of those, but yeah, if that trend comes back, you're sure bottom dollar virtual protocol is going to come back. So is Tars AI and everything else. All right, so yeah, let's get back into the chat. We still haven't, we haven't checked back on Bitcoin. Sitting at 111.12, 111 to 120. Oh my God, 120. Still, yeah, it looks like it wants to come back down and maybe retest the 111 flat. See if the bears get us down to that again, and then we come back up and try to get 11.5. We might be range bound there for a little minute. Time to hit it. Have a great night, everyone. Thanks again, Go Time, for coming out tonight again. The high knee society will miss you. We give lube out for free. Oh my God, I cannot believe you, Ben. You are unstoppable. Stop at the stock. The stock in all Fridays are always 20% off. Okay. Jesus, Ben. Lots of games on B3 XRP partnership to bring gaming to XRP. Is anyone developing on XRP in any meaningful way yet? That was the biggest problem with XRP since the beginning. That the lawsuit basically held back all future developments. D Money says, you are not bullish on Miria? I mean, I hold a giant bag of it. I have a big bag of it. Am I bullish on it? I have a love-hate relationship with that project. D Money says, I have the power. Yes, he's got the wrench. Thanks again, guys, for supporting the channel. D is feeling it. Yeah, he's feeling it. Yes, as Milk Money would always say, he is feeling it. All right, guys, that's all I got for you tonight. Bitcoin still has not broken above 111.5. We got close. We're still looking. We might break down underneath our baseline target. We might break above. I don't know. But I'm probably going to say that it's going to be more likely we're going to break down again tonight. If we can't hit that 111.5 and stay above it, we got to get back to 112. I mean, the usual idea would be foreign markets would open. We just dumped. Yin and yang, they would pump, right? They would get back to at least buying that dip. So normally I would say it's going to go up, but because we have all these other narratives and bullshit just lingering constantly, I mean, our list is growing like fanatically, too damn long to keep track of, right? Lisa Cook, the job report tomorrow, fear of the government shutdown, Fed rate cut, we've got Trump and Putin, the peace talks, what's happening? What are we going to do with those 1,000 subs? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, so in a normal day, trading session, I'd be like, yeah, foreign market's going to pump this up. We're going to go baseline bull. I'm gonna be pissed, guys. I'm going to be pissed if we go back down again. All right, I'm exhausted. I got to get it. Jeffrey coming in right before we head out. Go to the $2 super chat. Thank you, Jeffy, my man, for the donation to the cause. We'll be back tomorrow to burn more money for the power of chaos. Oh, jeez. It's going right back up to the cup, guys. Baseline bull? Baseline bull? Ooh. Should I just say it? I want to so bad, but I know I'm going to eat those words again if I do. Screw it. I'm going to say it. Baseline bull. Let's do it. Maybe not as high as that, but yeah. Let's do baseline bull. Screw this baseline bear nonsense. Come on. How many times are we going to knock on this until we just break out? Come on. Stupid bears. Come on. All right, guys. I'm going to leave you with that. Take your judgment with what you will. I have no idea. You have no idea. We don't know where Bitcoin's going to go, but more than likely it's going to be trading somewhere between 100 and 108. Let's just say 108. Hopefully not down that low. 108.5 and 112.5 before tomorrow morning. And again, watch out for 8 a.m. We're going to see that volatility in the market right around here. I'm going to, of course, share this with you guys overnight after hours stream with Crypto Chaos Magic, keeping track of all the probabilities tonight as well for some more subscribing farming. We're going to find some more people, guys. More people that are crazier than Nebs, Ben, and Jake combined. We're gonna find them. Don't you worry. Nice. Cody, change your yeah, you changed your thumbnail. I can't see what it is though, but I do see a new thumbnail there. Ben Lawrence saying, when a mommy wrench and a daddy wrench love each other very much. Yes, and they embrace themselves very tightly with all of the chaos in the crypto world. A little ratchet clinks into their lives, and there's a lot of them here on the channel. I improvised with that, Ben. I hope you didn't mind. That was beautiful, beautiful, as always. Professor of Chaos. My Professor of Chaos, Ben Lawrence. All right, let me see what's going on with Cody. What is this? Oh, I see you. I see you, my man. Is that a cat? I got you. Cody Bakula with a new icon there. Awesome, awesome. Yes, my man. Strawberry Dragons, yeah. Yes, she's crying. It was so beautiful, Ben. You're making everyone cry. Oh, jeez. I love you guys. Yes, all the lightning bolts, all of the flames, and of course all the wrenches. I love you. And tons of lube. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I just scrolled up and saw all that. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow morning with the market open bell. Have a good one and enjoy your evening. All right, guys. I'm going to leave you out with this one.
Which one's the best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin's the best crypto asset. Okay. What's the second best? There is no second best.
Jesus.
Fly me to the moon, let me trade among the stars. Let me see what freedom's like without money and gold bars. In other words, hold my key. Oh! In other words, let's make history.
Thanks again for coming out again, guys. Tonight, it's been a pleasure as always. Number one, again, I just wanted to shout out to you guys. Thanks again, Ramona, sitting at number one. Number two, Go Time. Number three, C Story. Of course, we know you as Cliff. I don't know why it's still showing the weird. Anyway, yeah, Chris. Yeah, thanks again. Number four and number five, Jake the Snake, with a close sixth at Strawberry Dragons. Thanks again, guys. I love you all, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.